Everybody, how are we doing? Welcome to another live stream. It's inflation day. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. The SPY is moving here. It's inflation day. The numbers look like they're out. So let's see. Where's oil moving right here? Oh, hold on. Let's see what these numbers are, everybody. So before we get into anything crazy, we are getting CPI data this morning. It's 8:30 Eastern, so that's why we're seeing this candle on the SPY. Again, it could move down. It could rip back up. All right. Nothing yet on the new. Here we go. So now we got the U.S. January consumer prices up 0.6%. Consensus was up 0.4. Okay, so let's see what happens with this. The SPY's down about 1/3% right now. Amy's not really moving a whole lot. AMC is down about 1.8%. GME is down about 1%. Occidental Petroleum is kind of chilling here. With oil doing off of this. Oil holding flat off of this move here. So what's going on, people? Predicting 6.8 on CPI. Oh, man. Hold on. Oh, boy. Look at that candle on the SPY all the way down to 452.99. Oh, man. Things could get a little wild today, people. Oh, man. Could we have another Ortex on Ortex? We can try. I did it yesterday by accident. I typed in Ortex to the Ortex bar. So SPY's flickering around here. It doesn't really like these moves that we are seeing. Let's see. All right. So let's see what happens with the market today. It could just easily get bought back up. Then we start to rally. We've seen this happen a couple of times where the market will react one way to economic news in the pre-market, and then it'll start the market one way and then start to trend in the other direction. So let's see what happens. AMC is down about 1.8% right now. GME, same thing over here. And then let's do a quick Ortex update. Then we're going to hit some of this stuff on Fintel with Vanguard and these 43 million shares. Because I think a lot of people are getting confused. For some reason yesterday, I opened my Twitter account and I just was scrolling through and I just saw the most amount of misinformation that I've seen. And I was like, I can't even I was like, hold on now. What's going on here, guys? So we're going to, I think this is one of the things right here that we got to talk about. Okay, Ortex tweeted out again today, AMC's utilization is still at 100%, but the cost to borrow isn't reflecting that right now. We're going to take a look at a couple different sources here as well. We have estimated short interest of 21.53%. And again, we have 1.28 million shares borrowed. So that's a significant amount of shares over here that's getting borrowed at only a 1.47% average cost to borrow. Now, let's check on GME here a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. So GME, 9,000 shares borrowed, 2,700 returned, 21.49% estimated short interest, decently high cost to borrow, but it's nothing out of the ordinary from what we've seen over the last 2 weeks. If we've seen a massive increase in utilization, I would expect these cost of borrows on AMC and GME to at least be 10%. And that's what we want to see to put these pressure on the short. SPY's coming down, Amy's coming down a little bit here. Oil's holding here. Let's see what oil's doing. Yeah, oil's coming up. So oil plays could be good today here, everybody. Strategic purchases, hires, price on the rise, definitely dead. How you doing, Ethan? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out with the algorithm as we're filtering in. And then let me check another. I'm going to check 2 more. We're just going to show you guys 2 more sources of kind of what's going on in the securities lending market. So this one right here. This right here, Stonko Tracker, 1.6 million shares available to borrow, 0.7% cost to borrow. Very, very, very low. Okay, so that would mean that there still are a lot of shares out there. Now, the second one over here, iBorrowdesk. This is Interactive Brokers. So we should get so there's 900,000 shares available right now with a borrow fee, 0.7. So that's the same data that we're seeing, or similar data that we're seeing on Stonko Tracker. So Stonko Tracker is showing 1.6 million. iBorrowdesk is showing 900,000, both with costs to borrows. At 0.7%. SPY's coming down hard right now. Ooh, man. Oh, baby. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Good morning. Check BKKT Ortex and Twitter missed earnings. Check it out. Ooh, did they now? Twitter. Well, Twitter's up about 2%, kind of a dud in the pre-market so far. We got GME down about 3%, AMC down about 4%. SPY's not having a whole lot of fun right now. So let's see what's going on, everybody. Morning, STV and Apes. What's up, buddy? How you doing? CPI killing the market? Yeah. Do you think the inflation talk will kill our momentum? Maybe for a day. Yeah, it wasn't great on the CPI data, but we're getting a little bit of a candle here. Amy's coming down to this 200 EMA. GME selling down, crossing down. I mean, there's going to be a lot of crosses today, so let's see what happens with them. We could easily see a bunch of things start to cross down in the pre-market, then everything starts to rally back to the upside. Disney reported earnings up 7% still in the pre-markets. Let's see how those go. What about oil? Yeah, Oxy's still doing good in the pre-market here with this move. So let's see, where's oil right now? Is that one up 102, up 109? So oil is still on the rise over here. What was the reported inflation? Let me look at the uh-oh. US rate futures, so nearly 6 rate hikes in 2022 after CPI data. Uh-oh. Fed swaps now show a full percentage point of hikes by July. All right, that's not good. US 10-year treasury yield rises after CPI data lasts at 1.968. So TLT must be falling off a cliff. Yeah, TLT is just getting hammered right now in the pre-market, down 0.5%. So we have spot. So here's kind of what's going on with TLT. The yields are rising because people are selling bonds because who the hell wants a bond paying a lower percentage when the inflation's so high? You're literally saying, "Hey, I would like to lose money. Can I look at Micron?" Yeah. Oh, I hate my life. Micron's doing really good here. So here's kind of what I'm looking at. Micron, Nvidia, AMD. Oh, Nvidia is getting really, really sold off over here. AMD, what's going on with you? All right. So with these sell-offs in these chip makers, remember, Nvidia has earnings next week. So if we see a BS sell-off today in the overall market, if we watch 1348 to kind of see what's going on, you could get some good contracts going into next week, potentially on the run-up for Nvidia's earnings. So AMC right now down about 4.5%. Nice. SPY's making its way back up here, but still down about 0.8%. GME's down 3.45. Yeah, this is nasty today. Woo! It's already dirty. Oxy coming back down. TLT down, market up. It should, but also that money that goes out of bonds would have to come into stocks. And that's not necessarily what we've been seeing a whole lot of recently. Everything crashing. Well, everything's coming down. Everything is coming down. They can lower AMC utilizations back to lower now because they got everyone to buy out of the money calls. Well, they can't artificially do it unless they're like typing it in manually, which I doubt that they're doing. Okay, so SPY's trying to make its way back up here. That was a nasty move on CPI. So oil is still up today, 1.09, 1.05. Okay, so GME on the way back up here. I think things could rally back to the upside, even with this CPI data. We just got to wait and see what happens, though. Puts. There you go, Phil's crib. Glad I own my house, both my cars, and zero debt, and getting back 17K any day now in taxes. Trey's eye patch. There you go. CPI news. Yeah. So so the CPI news, what it is essentially done is it's expecting more rate hikes. So what's essentially happened is you saw good jobs numbers, even though they're messing with them and they were revising them. So you saw that come out, and then the futures market was like, oh, okay, economy is strong. We can have more rate hikes now. So that's kind of what happened with that. And now we have higher inflation numbers than expected. So then they're like, oh no, now we have to do even more rate hikes to kind of combat inflation. So there's a lot of weird things going around today. Let's see. SPY is coming back up here, though. We have AMC at down 3.7. We got GME down 2.44, but getting some candles over here. Oxy coming back to life. I don't know, guys. This could get a little interesting today. My gut is telling me market crash, margin call triggers. It could. It's possible. But in order for that to happen, you'd have to see AMC and GME get so much lower. Is SNDL going to get it delisted? If it doesn't double in 180 days, yes. Amy, it's coming back up a little here. SPY trying. They're trying to buy this back up. Everything is coming back. Slight overreaction. Yeah, I see too. So we still rallying today? We could. It's possible. We don't. I mean, these data points that come out, like right as I said on that first candle, I was like, guys, it's entirely possible that we start to sell off and then we just come right back. I didn't think it was going to be this quick. Put hedging market could go up. Lots of puts at 450. Well, put hedging is shorting. Um, Trying to not get the puts in the money is they would just buy to try to screw over everybody with puts. Bitcoin just took a dump. Yeah, watch Riot and Mara off of that. Oxy still up about 0.5%. Let's see. Neo, Activision, how are these doing? Neo down. Ooh, Neo got hammered on that. Activision got a nice little candle here down as well. Let's see what happens with those. Micron Chipmaker is looking solid. Micron's still up 2.81% over here. Is there any news on this? Okay. So Amy down 3.22. Oh, and then we got to hit this Vanguard stuff. This is okay. This is important. So this is really something that people keep confusing. It's fine to get it's so here's the deal. All of these filings that come out, these like weird financial terms, it's like, yeah, it's confusing. It is meant to confuse you. But what's happened recently is that some people see what other people are saying and they're like, this is fact, and then they just run with it. So this down here is 13Fs. These are quarterly reports. These are all quarterly reports. So when we see these come out, all of these are going to be reflecting the previous quarter. So we're seeing some decreases in positions. We're seeing some increases in positions. Cool. Whatever. Korea Investment Corp increased their position by 68%. Awesome. These up here, 13Gs and 13Ds, you have to file those. It looks like they're yearly. I believe 13Gs are yearly when you own more than 5% of a company. So Vanguard, this last time that they reported was the beginning of 2021. But we've seen so many more of these 13Fs come out that this doesn't make any sense. It would actually make sense that they sold some shares. Because look at this. So Vanguard, 13G right here, 47.085 million. Now, when we take a look at Vanguard over here, I mean, I want their 13F. That's what I want to see. But then when we come over to their shares, they have 47,190,000. This is 47,085,000. So this looks like it's reflecting Q4. So they went down like tiny bit. BlackRock went up a little bit, I believe. So they're 13G. They're at 42.892. Where's BlackRock over here? BlackRock, 40.015. So BlackRock increased their position by about 2 million if you're looking at 13Fs versus 13Gs. So BlackRock went up a little bit, but I'm still waiting on their 13Fs. We may not get one because they're filing a bunch of 13Gs. They should still have to file 13Fs. And I still want Renaissance as well. I want to see what Renaissance has done. So nothing on Renaissance yet, but we're still waiting on some of those institutional purchases. The other thing is that people like to go crazy about the institutional purchases. They're just loaning the shares out. Well, with utilization as low as it was, it doesn't make sense that they're loaning the shares, because if that's your goal, AMC's cost to borrow has been sub 1 or right around 1.5 for a really, really long time. So it wouldn't make sense. Like you could buy BBIG, loan it out for 200%, or you could buy AMC and loan it out for 1.47. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But what they've done recently is that, let's say BlackRock was willing to lend 10 million of their 40 million shares. All right. We're not doing this. So let's see. So let's say BlackRock had 10 million shares that they were willing to loan out, and they were putting that up, and that was getting calculated into the utilization equation. But let's just say, and that's with like a lot of stocks. Let's just say they did that with AMC, GME, Prog, BKKT, and a lot of these other stocks that randomly went to 100% utilization, which I still think is a little bit fishy. The next thing is you have to think, okay, so what did they do next to jack up the utilization? So if the utilization is actually at 100%, what have they done? So let's just say they had those 10 million shares, and then they said, okay, now we're only willing to lend out 5 million. So they chopped it in half. Maybe. I don't know what the actual numbers are. But that would increase the utilization, and then we would start to see that slow step up of cost to borrow over the next couple of days. Jesus, Keith, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. You didn't have to do that. Man, I really, really appreciate that, Keith. Morning STV. Seems like a lot of ape strategy is based on following truths. 1, that we own 90% of the float. 2, that there are hundreds of millions and billions of synthetics, that no real shares available. Can you shed light on these truths? Okay. So 90% of the float, it's entirely possible that we own a lot more, but it's also possible right now that we own a little bit less just because institutions are saying that they own 30%. But again, it's 30% of the number that's supposed to be there. So if we were still buying and they were still buying and there are a bunch of synthetics, then we both just own more, if that makes sense. Two, that there are hundreds of billions of synthetics. It's possible with all the FTDs that we've seen and the crazy high amount of shorting and the nonsense that we've seen. It's possible, but nobody really knows for sure, Keith. And then that no real shares are available. That's a that one you never know. The no real shares available right now with utilization and everything. Well, there are shares available to loan out. And if you want to buy a share, you can buy a share and you still have voting rights. So, it the way that that would come in is essentially just like you would have to say it really just affects how high the squeeze can go on that one. Keith, dude, that was a giant super. Okay, now we have Lou coming in here. All right, all right. So these new account names are funny. So we have Lou in here. Hi, Lou. And then we had Al coming in here a little bit. This is just funny. All right, what's up, everybody? So how you guys doing? All right, then we got I forgot to check BKKT or text for Francisco. 206,000 borrowed shares, 30.42% estimated short interest, 3.6% average cost to borrow. This one, 100% utilization as well. Amy bouncing off the 200. Spy trying to come back to life. Micron still up pretty big. And then Oxy, what's Oxy doing over here? You guys are making me laugh this morning. I like it. I like it. This is funny. What options am I planning on doing today? I don't know. I don't know. Alpha Prison. All right. I don't know what it is with these names today, guys, but it's funny. This is great. ASC chart looks exactly like Tilray. Yeah, it's all the same. Alga. How bad was the CPI? Well, it wasn't great. It made the futures market price in a full percentage hike by July, I think it was. Twitter 4 billion share buyback. Yeah, I saw that. Twitter should really pump on that, but it's like not. Like it just wasn't. It was like, nah, screw it. It's only up 2.5% on a buyback. Like it went to 41. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, Spy's coming back down now to the low. Ooh, Oxy, what are we looking like over here? Oxy flickering. Where's oil right now? Oh, oil coming back down. Interesting. Did the CPI ruin the fun? Maybe for today. Maybe for today. Twitter ER numbers were terrible again. Yeah, they typically are, but the buyback's probably holding it up. So Amy's down about 3.9. GME's down about 2.65. Again, Spy's just still in this supply and demand zone range. Nothing too crazy. If it hangs out in this range, there's really nothing to be worried about, in my opinion. If it breaks down below, we could then see it go to 435. But I don't see the market really getting spicy right now. Because, like, here's the thing. We all know there's going to be rate hikes. We all know that there's things coming. And we all know that there's bad inflation. It's like we all know these things. I'm surprised, honestly, that they didn't try to mess with the what do you call it? I'm surprised that they didn't try to mess with the inflation numbers and make them seem really good. That is a little bit surprising to me. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. All right, Oxy just came back down to being flat. Spy trying to make a move here, struggling though. Okay. Hoping for 400 on Spy about a VIX call yesterday. Dude, that would be gnarly. Hey, this is Bob from Connecticut. Yes, you can make much more money by just buying Spider-Man comic books without the aggravation. Remember, wait, what? Wow, you can buy Spider-Man comic books if you want to, buddy. That's fine. Do whatever you got to do. Just buy and hold. That's the best we could do. Yeah, and then the other thing, they probably did mess with the reported numbers. True, they probably did. The other thing is that when you look at the option chain for AMC, you're seeing a decent amount of action at these at the money calls, which is nice. I like this. The problem is that when you go to next week, there's nothing here. It's like not really that crazy, and then you come out here and there's a bunch of open interest way down here. This is just aggravating to me. 19,000 contracts at 60, 34,000 at 85. Why? Just buy them later. You don't have to do it right away. They see this and they're like, yeah, whatever. If all this money was spent like way back here, it would create a nice little gamma ramp. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Art is actually the best hedge against inflation? Yeah. Yeah, well, it is. Let's see. Well, oil's usually pretty good too. Oil back up. Oil is about WTI crude. All prices. Yeah, AMC current institutional ownership percentage 31.41. Yep. Yep. I'll buy you a steak at Michael Jordan's at Mohegan, whatever you want. Just let me know. All right, I'm down to go to Mohegan, do some gambling. I'm ready to go. What's too expensive? Good morning from Florida. There you go, Eric. AMC made me rich. There you go, buddy. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out with the YouTube algorithm stuff going in because people always have issues finding it for some reason. I don't know why. YouTube's just being a little a-hole. Amy's down about 4% right now. GME's down about 3. SPY's down about 1. Pre-market getting hammered. Yeah, off those inflation numbers. But we could see the buyers easily come back in and just step right back up and just whoop. You got over 10,000 in comics, not even thinking about selling. Diamond handing those comic books, buddy. There you go. Utilization is a product of hedges throwing absolutely everything at January to stop the gamma squeeze. Cost of borrow will follow. Hopefully, but we would have seen it slowly step up a little bit more, which we did. I don't know why you see that giant jump, though. It's still weird. Straddle on Twitter, not going to pay off? Probably not. Which is fine. It's an earnings play. It happens. That's like how you have to be. So when you play earnings, you have to fully expect that they're going to go to zero. That's why I play them. It's high risk, high reward. Bitcoin just took a dump. Yeah, Riot and Mara are probably coming down a little bit too in the pre-market. Keith, Riot and Mara. Oh, Riot, nasty. Down 3.87. Mara, ooh, down 3.88. Keith. Aren't you shorts using a lot of those way out of the money contracts to avoid FTDs? They're not using the ones that we are buying. They are doing their own transactions with them. SPY's trying to move back up here again, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's down 0.92% in the pre-market. Let's do another little Ortex check across the board on Amy. So what do we got here? Holy shit. Are they crazy? Look at this. 2.36 million shares borrowed against AMC this morning. What? Only 1.47% cost to borrow. We need that way higher, like above 10 to really, really screw these institutions over. And then let's take a look at the danger zones really quickly. Average days on loan. I couldn't see it in the video. There's this one, I think. January 17th. Where were we trading on January 17th? And where did we go from that? 13th. Right here-ish. So 20, right around 20 is another danger zone where they really attacked it. So if we can make our way back up to 20, that's the first danger zone step. And then there's one at like 30 to 32, and then 40 to 42. There's another danger zone. GME, let's take a look at this. 17,000 shares borrowed, 4.18% average cost to borrow, 21.5% estimated short interest on this thing. So let's see what happens with it today. They are taking out so many shares on loan against AMC today. They've already taken out like 2 million. Close at 32. That would be sweet. Cost borrow is a little more than odd with these. Exactly. It's super weird. It should not be this low. I'll give it like a week. We'll keep looking at it for like a week. And if it doesn't go massively up in the next week, the 100% utilization is nonsense. But we'll see. It easily could. IWM Ortex, IWM. Shorts. Okay, so a little bit of covering on IWM. 47.16% estimated short interest. 1.34% cost to borrow. I mean, we can go over that a little bit, but 353,000 borrowed shares, 93% utilization on IWM. The institutions are going to loan, but they also know what'll pop. Hold on tight. Yeah, I see that. I'll keep saying it. The institutions, it doesn't make any sense for them right now to buy shares and loan them out. They would do it on a different stock. Interesting open. Yeah. SPY trying to get a candle over here. Where's Mara coming back to life? Oxy, what are you doing over here? Oxy. I still think Occidental is going to have a good rest of the week with these inflation numbers and the way oil's trending. Yeah. So we're at 1,000% utilization in reality. Got it. Yeah. When cost per hour increases, does it only affect the new shares on loan? Does it affect all shares on loan? All shares on loan. It's a variable rate. So that's why when these cost to borrow numbers flicker around, you're like, ooh, this is a big deal. 100 must be a glitch. They borrowed millions today. Well, see, they can borrow shares when there's 100% utilization because shares are getting returned and then more shares are going back out. Like utilization isn't a live number. Yeah, 7.5% is consumer price index. Ah! I mean, it's not oil's not accounted for in that, but oil should go off of this. Peloton tanking. That's why I don't like Peloton. Peloton's just flickering. Peloton down 2.86. Where's Snap? And then Chipmakers. I'm going to be watching Chipmakers today. Snaps down a little bit. AMD, what's this at in the pre-market? Down 3%. NVIDIA down 2. Hold on. So NVIDIA has earnings next week, I believe on the 16th. And then I might play AMD off of it. AMD, Qualcomm, or Micron just based off of what NVIDIA's run-up is going to look like. So maybe it's time to start playing some run-ups. Yeah, Oxy's just flickering flat over here. Twitter. Yeah, Twitter, I mean, I believe they had bad earnings, but they announced a buyback. So they're up only 1% right now. That earnings is going to be a dud most likely. Or it is a dud. Micron held up nicely. Yeah, Micron was up like 2%. Yeah, 2.5%. If you guys held those Microns I called out yesterday into today, you're going to be up like 300%. I think I was at the 87s when I made my 30% on it, and those would have been worth at least $300 each with the way that these contracts are, like the stock is right now. That's insane. Why NVIDIA running up? Well, they have earnings next week, but it's selling off right now. Peloton is a workout bike with an iPad. Thank you, XYZ. Affirm is still green. Ooh, Affirm has earnings today. So Affirm is up 0.7. PayPal down. Square down. Okay, so watch PayPal and Square today on Affirm. Affirm does have earnings after hours today, so watch that. Affirm could get a little spicy. SPY's trying to make its way back up. We got 33 minutes until the market opens, people. This is going to be a fun freaking day. Good morning. You still have MU? Nuts. There you freaking go, buddy. There you go. You are crushing it now with 1348. Max Payne 17 per Swaggy. Thank you. So it didn't really change. Yeah, it was 17 yesterday, and I sold it 150%. My stupid paper hands, dude. Mine are worse. Mine are built of like 1-ply toilet paper. SPY will go up by the fear. I think SPY could definitely go up today. Affirm up half. Occidental flat. What about CVX and a couple of other these? So Chevron down. Exxon's probably flat as well. Exxon barely down, but if SPY starts to come back up and oil starts to go on a run, the oil plays could be really good today. WTI crude is still above 90. Was CPI data bad? Yeah. You're still holding 9 microns? Oh, man. How about Uber? Oh, yeah. Uber did report. Uber up 5. How's Lyft doing on this? Lyft down. Lyft dud. Just doing what website or app do you use to get the news right when it comes out? It's just Twitter accounts that I use. So I use really it's Fast Stock News on Twitter, I think is what it's called. Check banks. Oh, shoot. Really good, really smart bank. Yep. Banks are ripping today. Okay. This could be a day where we play a lot of bank stocks just for fun. Here's why we would play a lot of bank stocks. When rates go up, banks' margins increase and they're able to generate more money. So Bank of America is running up right now about 1.5% in the pre-market. JP Morgan. So I want to find the lagger. JP Morgan's up 1. GS, Goldman Sachs, not really moving off of this. So Bank of America has been kind of the winner with these rate moves. So let's see what happens at market open for Bank of America. But that could be a dirty play today. You're probably not going to get a 1348 on it. But since the jobs numbers have come out so good, and then what do you call it? The inflation, so good supposedly, and then the inflation numbers come out high. They're expecting higher rates to come. So when that happens, it's like, you could end up seeing banks start to go on a little bit of a run. Why SPY selling off? CPI data. Glad I took profit yesterday on Neo and AMC calls. Yeah, I did that too on my Neos. I think I still have one kicking around. Yeah, watch banks closely today. Whoever said that, I forget who it was. Very, very, very smart there. David Jones, what's up, buddy? Yeah, so Bank of America is up 1.5. AMC, hold on, this is gonna get nutty. AMC's down about 4.3. Spies on the low here. Oxy flat. Yeah, banks honestly were the move. Bank strangles going in today. Damn. Good morning, Jack. Let's have a date. David Jones, let's do it, buddy. Smash that like, ladies, says Mr. Johnny London. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, helps out a whole lot. GME down 2.89, AMC down 4.44. SPY moving down again, making a new low in the sort of. I mean, there's these candles down here, but that's kind of fake. What's BBIG looking like today? It's probably selling off. It is flagging here. Yeah, oh my God. BBIG is down 6.69% in the pre-market. Damn. Let's see what we got. All righty, everybody. So. SV, I found you. Good morning. Didn't think you were on at first. See, YouTube messing with me, dude. They're just messing with us. It's fine. We're going to win. We're good. FAS could run. That's financial sector, isn't it? Yeah, BBIG selling down. Yeah, FAS could run. I think I'm going to be watching Bank of America the closest. So SPY making a new low over here. Oh, we got the mask coming in. What's up, everybody? How's that wiener stock hood today? I mean, probably terrible. Down oil. Oxy a little red for no reason, honestly, with oil coming up and inflation numbers. Oil should be ripping. So let's see what happens here. Search ankles next time brings you right here. Interesting. Ho, we got the mask gang coming in. What's up, people? Amy, whoa. Things are not liking these inflation numbers over here. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right. Fubo. Agreements to provide statewide mobile access for sports betting. Interesting. And then, okay, U.S. rate futures now see a 50% chance of, 50 basis point rate hike in March. That was up from a 30% chance pre-CPI data. So they're expecting so here's kind of what's going on, and here's how the market can actually explode with a rate hike. The futures market is projecting that we are going to see a 50 basis point rate hike in March, 50 basis point in March, 50 basis point in June. Now, there's been a lot of economists that have come out and said that doesn't make a whole lot of sense to do. But if they come out and do a 25 basis point rate hike when the market expectation is 50 basis points, the market is going to absolutely pump. It's all about market expectations. All right, now Oxy's selling off here. Amy's down 6% in the pre-market. Oh, nice. You know how many shares they borrowed against this today? A fuckload. Let's see. AMC over here. 2.36 million shares borrowed against this thing today. Ooh, bloop, bloop. Hello. What's up, buddy?
Mic check. What's popping?
There he is.
Oh boy, wow, the market got slapped. Puts are gonna play, puts are going to pay.
Oh yeah, watch banks too. Banks could pump off of that with the futures market and rate hikes.
Yeah. I have SPY calls and I have Tesla puts.
I think I have some puts kicking around here. I think oil is still going to do all right today with the inflation data. That's what I think.
Looking good. Oil is looking pretty damn good right now.
I just need Oxy to stop selling off in the pre-market.
Wait, Oxy's selling off?
It was up a decent amount, and then it just got a giant candle over here. Yeah, down 0.84, but oil's up today.
That's weird. Yeah. Okay, but you did say that before. When oil dropped, sometimes it went up. Like it did the inverse.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, just talk to it. Tell it to cut it out.
Yeah, there's a little really low volume on it right now, so the buyers could come back in on it, but SPY's getting slapped.
I have $900 calls. I mean puts for Tesla. It's currently sitting at 907. If these things start to run in the money, because the premium for stocks that didn't have earnings weren't really inflated much.
No, I think this also could be a really, really good time to start loading up on some Chipmaker calls going into next week on NVIDIA's potential earnings run up.
I could not agree more. Like, when I
Oh,
say I cannot agree more, I mean, like, I will be doing that. Like,
yeah, I'm looking
I
at
will.
AMD Micron, dude. Oh, I paper handed some Microns, took 30%. I had the 87s. It's at freaking 90, I think, in the pre-market. It's like,
Yeah, I'm gonna
every
get
time.
some, I might get some monthlies.
That's what I would do on the chip makers.
Yeah, yeah, that might be best. I'm It's kinda shitty to see this happen in the morning with AMC and GME, seeing as they have nothing to do with inflation.
They easily could come right back to life that. You see
I
it, dude,
know.
they borrowed like 2.36 million on Amy today.
No big deal.
It's
No big
crazy.
deal. I think what I was talking about this morning was this. You know how there's been data shifting around on Ortex with AMC?
Mhm,
Like, the past data that was already out, and they
mhm.
kinda changed it a little bit. I'm wondering how long AMC's actually been at 100% utilization.
I still don't think it has.
Well, it's either it has been or the borrow rate's just fucked up.
Yeah, because the last time that we saw 100% utilization, our cost to borrow was like this right here, it's 20.
Right, so it's either the utilization's wrong or the cost of borrow is wrong.
Right. I think it's well, the thing that, like, makes me feel weird about utilization is that it didn't just happen on, like, AMC. It was, like, AMC, GME, BKKT, and a lot of these other things too that just went from, like, lower, and then it just went whoop, right up.
I got you. I got you. Yeah, it's gonna be
Just kinda
interesting.
wait and see on that one. I just think if the
Ah,
cost of borrow goes up, awesome, perfect, we're good to go.
yeah, yeah. My only thing is this, right? Like, I sold my calls yesterday for AMC. I know lots of people didn't sell their calls.
I was talking about that. I was like, "Yeah."
I just I keep saying, guys, make your money, take your money. Yesterday, the calls were up a stupid amount, and I just said, you know what? If it runs tomorrow, I own shares. I'm cool,
Mhm.
and that's it. That's it. So yeah. There's gonna be some people that are hurting a little bit, but guess what? Lesson learned, people.
Mhm.
Take your money when you. Neo got hit too.
Yeah.
I didn't buy enough puts yesterday.
Dude, everything's getting
Bitcoin.
hit.
Oh my god.
I had Neo calls yesterday. I sold some of them. I left one on the table as a runner, and that's probably gonna go dead zo. Unless we
There
come
you go.
back. Like, it's possible that we just come back.
We could come back. I don't mind buying calls, like 10, 15 minutes in. I don't mind buying some
Yeah.
calls to see this thing right up. But Bitcoin just took a jump from 45,000 to 43 too. So
Yeah,
there's
Riot
that.
and
And that's
Mara are
like over
probably gonna sell up.
15 minutes. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go get some breakfast, but I'll talk to you in a bit, my guy. Good luck.
Alright, later. Have some fun, buddy.
Deuces, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. Market Basket said TMI shut up. Market Basket, come into my live stream later on today. I would
Where
love
is
to, I
he?
would love to chat with you.
Where is he?
Come to the live stream later on today, my guy. We'll have some fun, I
Alright.
promise you. All
Market
right, guys.
basket's funny.
I think it's hilarious. I think it's hilarious.
Is he spreading
Deuces,
nonsense?
guys.
Oh. Alrighty, people. So we've got about 22 minutes until market opens right now. Amy is taking a beating. Bank stocks are having some fun. SPY's trying to make its way back up. Oil is kind of flicking around, doing its thing right now. Let's see what happens with oil stuff today. Why would they put the CPI numbers out right before market open? To do this, and then we get screwed over. Alrighty. Apocalypse, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, people. So Amy trying to pop here, still down about 5%. GME getting some candles. SPY just flickering around at the lows here. Guys, once the market opens here, make sure you guys are calling out those crossovers. Today is going to be a very, very volatile day. So get ready. It's going to be fun. Uh, who knows what we're going to see today? The market could just rally back up off these inflation numbers, or it's just going to start tanking down to this level. So watch 451 on the low over here just to see if it bounces off that and comes back up. If it falls below, it's going to be a little bit interesting today. Extended hours are a freaking joke. Yeah. I have to buy a new keyboard every day because I smashed the like button so hard on YouTube. That's funny. Easy money if you catch the bounce right. Very, very true. One fast duster. Bank stocks are looking good. GME is getting a giant candle over here. Oil. Oh, oil coming down. Oxy. Ooh, Oxy getting some candles over here. Still low volume on this thing, so let's see what happens at market open. I think this thing could easily start to come back up just because inflation, oil goes up, Oxy go up. But let's see. Bank stocks, I think, could be the real winners today. Bank of America is up 1.42. JP Morgan was up 1. I don't know. Let's see. They're pricing in more rate hikes now. 1.3 million in AMC volume. Jesus, really? Yeah, that would make a lot of sense. Webull showing 681,000, so that makes sense. What's AMC short interest? It's like 21 and a half, I think. 21.73% estimated short interest on AMC. Let's check GMEs really quickly. Um, they're currently estimating 111 million shares sold short. Let's check GMEs real quick. 21.52% estimated short interest. That's absolutely insane. So they are attacking these. Also, do you guys want to hear a funny story? Okay, funny story. So my dad calls me up yesterday. He's like, I sent you this article from one of my buddies who sent me because we were talking about AMC, and I want you to take a look at it and let me know what you think. So I was like, okay, right away, I'm gonna tell you the article's probably bullshit because they like to do that. They like to spread nonsense. He's like, yeah, I know. Can you just take a look at it because he's like a little bit worried. So I look at the article. I pull it up. It's like a newspaper. Do you know who wrote it? Do you want to know who wrote it and who the comments were in it from? Who do you want to know who it is? Gasparino. I lost my mind. I literally lost my mind. I was like, "Are you fucking kidding me right now?" I was like, "No, we are gonna have none of this bullshit over here." That dude is who we're listening to for news. That just shows you how completely fucked up the financial media is right now because people actually listen to what that dumbass has to say and take it as fact. No, I wanna know Ortex data? We just did it. It was Gasparino. I was like, "Are you kidding me?" Yeah, utilization at 100%, sorta. The cost to borrow, that utilization, yeah, it is, but, like, it's not. Like, unless you see a cost to borrow really start to spike, the utilization number being at 100% doesn't really do anything for us. So, Bank of America coming down a little bit here. SPY trying to bounce off of this little low that we have right here on the lower end of this box. AMC down 5.81%, GME down 4. You curse at your parents? If Gasparino comes out with an article, I was like, "That's bullshit." He's looking more right than we are. Hey, Anthony, just because the price is going down doesn't mean that the shorts are right. I'll say that all day long. Why? Why they have more money than us to hit it at one given time. And you have great fundamental news coming out about the stock with the earnings preview. You have refinancing the debt. You have the NFT. You have acquisitions of new theaters. You have GME in there. It's like, come on now. Like the amount of news coming out about these stocks is so good. Sometimes, like what we're seeing now, the market is not reflecting all available information. The efficient market hypothesis is not true. It's not real. Let's see. Wow, that was funny. Batman sold out. Yup. 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 All right. So Amy down to 1789 right here. Closed the day yesterday at 1894. Spy's trying to make a move back up here a little tiny bit. Bank of America selling off. Oxy, what are we looking at over here? Oxy, what are you doing? All righty. Douchebaggery is strong with that one. Oh, yeah, people. Oh, yeah. So Amy trying to get a little bit of a candle coming into market open here. Let's see how it goes. Again, we're going to need to really break out of this range over here, back above the 200 EMA. We're going to be fighting that today. The market has corrected. They are taking your call options money, and then you buy, and when you buy puts, they're going to flip it on your puts. Derivatives are getting milked. Yeah, most likely they're going to do that. Not specifically on AMC, but like the amount of put buying that's happened on the overall market, they don't want to let those go in the money. But again, with where we are right now, like look at the run that we've gone on. I want this on like a month. Wait, hold on. Sorry. This is silly. Like, look at this. It's just rip, 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 rip over the last couple of days. So those puts that people were buying a couple of Fridays ago are not going to pay them. The recent puts, maybe, but the big put contracts that people were buying are not going to pay these people. Oh, Oxy with a candle. Oxy with a candle over here. I think oil could do well today, so let's see. So oil, I'm going to be watching oil and bank stocks today, and then puts on like other stuff. I don't know yet. We'll see. DraftKings maybe. I don't know. Twitter maybe. Alrighty. You're gonna get my Batman NFT. Gonna see it in March. First IMAX. I think you have to do it at an AMC theater in order to do that. So be careful. Is the T1 ruling by the SEC really being pushed to 2024? Or is that BS? It's entirely possible that they are. Remember, like what I've been saying for a while. It's like one, these are going to take gold could be good. It's going to take so long for these rules to come into effect. People are saying, oh, it's coming into effect in 30 days. No, it's not. That's when the comment period ends. But that's literally that 30-day period is the least amount of time that it could potentially take. It's the minimum. We've seen comment periods get extended. It's like crazy. If Tesla pumps, Neo and SoFi will follow. Yeah, thirst trap Thursday. Could be, buddy. Bear trap. Yeah. Morning, everyone. David Morgan, what's up, buddy? How you doing? So Amy still down about 5.7. Spy's trying here. It's probably good. I mean, it's bouncing off of the lower end of this range here, right around that little lower end of this box. So let's see what happens with it. We got 15 minutes until market open, everybody. Let me check oil really quick again. Ooh, oil just went red. Oil just went big red right here. Ooh, hold your horses. Hold your horses, people. All right, so let's see what we got. What do you guys want to look at? BBIG was tanking in the pre-market over here. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. BBIG got a nice little candle, though. Nice little candle on Biggie. It is flagging on the 4-hour, too. So BBIG, so if you look at it, it's flagging right above the 200 EMA, too, which is kind of nice. So right here, actually not anymore, sort of, but this candle just sucks on it. So we could see a nice little breakout. Watch the breakout above 364 if it wants to get up there. Sens is probably on the low as well. Can you check Lyft? Yeah, Lyft was down off of Uber earnings. So we'll see what happens with this one. Lyft down 0.5% right here. Whereas Disney, good question. Disney was up decently in the pre-market, but probably sold off at the spot. Yeah, it's only up 6% now. Pre-market is getting hammered. Yep. It's at AMC, just the IMAX. Getting my Batman NFT is premiering at an IMAX, but at AMC. Gotcha. Yeah, everything's getting attacked pre-market. Again, let's check Ortex really quickly again. So GME, 32,000 shares borrowed, 21.5% estimated short interest, only 3.8% cost to borrow. This should be going up. This should not be 3.8%. We've seen 4% days, 5% days on average cost to borrow. We need that above 10. If utilization is actually there, cost to borrow should be higher. AMC over here, we should not see it trending down. We should see it trending up, which we kind of have seen, but over the last couple of days, it's just kind of stayed flat. So AMC right now, 21.73% estimated short interest, 2.36 million shares borrowed today, 118 million shares on loan, 111 million estimated shares sold short right now. So there's about 7 million shares that they can use against us right now. Might be a little more with these borrowed shares coming out today, but 21.73 estimated short interest. Disney selling off, Spy trying here, but we'll see what happens. Who has earnings at market close? Affirm. So Affirm is one that we could end up looking at. It's going to be really expensive. Affirm's up 0.5% right now. It is bouncing off that 200. If Affirm gets a crossover today, I will play it. I have a feeling we will end the day even. I think it's very, very possible that we just pump today. We need another 2-person protest. Funny. We've seen many, many times in the past where AMC gets like deep red in the pre-market and then rips to big green. Like anything is possible. We kind of needed this cool off on the RSI. Sorta. Are they going to have to delta hedge today? Is WTI where you check on oil? I'm looking at WTI crude. That's what I'm looking at on it. I could look at barrel. Like, that's what I'm looking at, though. So, Affirm bouncing up here. Affirm and bank stocks are probably going to be the two things that I'm going to be watching the closest today. And then oil and then some other stuff, too. All I heard you say was negative beta. No, stop it. Bear traps. I like bear traps. Bear traps are fun. Caesar, thanks for the super. Honestly, how gullible do you have to be to believe this movement is natural? Dude, nothing in it is natural. Like, come on. The amount of short interest in these stocks, it's drunk, but dude, it is absolutely insane. But thank you for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. IWM Ortex, it's 47% shorted. Affirm has some interesting stuff coming out. I'm a fan. Michelle, yeah, I like Affirm. SoFi. Sophie, what you doing over here? So SoFi down about 3.4, Amy down about 5.65. We got GME at down 3.8, I think. Yeah, 3.86. Oxy, how you looking over here? Oxy down about 1. SPY trying to bounce here. I don't know. Let's see. We got 11 minutes until open, people. Let's get excited. Let's get firm. Options are insane right now. Yes, but you could play a firm. You could play square on a bounce up. So a firm, square, PayPal you could do. So watch those three: a firm, square, and PayPal. Bank stocks and oil is what I'll be watching today specifically. Maybe even Viac and Disca, because Viac and Disca, like look at this. Viacom is only down 11% in the pre-market. If Viacom gets across today, oh, I'll be touching that. Like, oh man, Viacom yesterday. Look at this dripped season. Same thing with Disca. Disca was an absolute winner yesterday. Like, where's Disca in the pre-market? Disca down 1.5. Disca could easily come back to life. Little bit of a red green move here. So honestly, here's what I kind of want to have everybody watch out for today: Viacom and Discovery, because they typically can move, do their thing regardless of what the market does. So that's a good one over there. Bank stocks, but that's kind of on the back burner because they've kind of already made a move. Oil. So I already have some of the oil stocks. And then a firm, PayPal, and Square. Those are the main things that I'm going to be watching today going into market open. And I'll have SPY up here so we'll be able to see what's going on. And then we have GME and AMC always on the screen. That's what we got. No more mask mandate in New York. Interesting. They're going to have to Delta hedge about 6 million shares safe. It stays over 18. Let's look. That would be if they had to do all the shares, which they don't. It's probably like 2 or 3 million, but it's selling off hard. We're at 1787 right now. Let's see. Disca, Viac. Let's see what we get on those. Midterms coming up. Don't give me a heart attack, bro. Don't give me a heart attack talking about midterms. Alrighty. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Sweden has no restrictions left. BBIG, is it coming back to life? It did get a little bit of a candle. That's trying. It just kind of rejected at this 200 EMA. It might get a 5-minute MACD cross going into open, which it typically does like to run off of. So we'll see what happens with that. I see buying opportunities. There you go. Like number 657. Corey, appreciate that, buddy. Do you remember the prices for AMC options when it gammoned in June? The lowest price that I saw for the 40 was like 8 cents. So $8. What does a Twitter buyback mean? It means they're taking some of their cash and then buying their own shares with it. We opened yesterday at 1627. Calm down, people. We're going over 20 today, says Andrew. Hey, man, I'd love to see it. 8 minutes to go. All righty. This is going to be a wild day. 100 million volleyball today. All right. Well, are we going to call volume volleyball now? Is that what we're going to do? All right. SPY just kind of flickering at these lows right here. Volume. I like volleyball. Why don't you make many tabs with PayPal, Oxy, just so you don't have to change the tab? Because one, you won't be able to really see it very well, and then everybody will like lose their mind, be like, no, there's too many stocks up there. That's kind of why I don't do it. Watch Zillow today. They have earnings. Ooh. Isn't that just Z? Yeah. Zillow on earnings could be, look at this right here. Gap down. And then it doesn't move. So Zillow might be a dirty one to play. Thank you for that. We can play Zillow. If a firm's going to be too expensive, then we'll kind of mess around with it. But Oxy down a little bit. A firm. Still in the green. And then what else were we looking at? Bank stocks. And then Viac and Disca. Those have been nasty. Ooh, Viac with a candle over here. Yields up due to CPI data. Nasdaq and S&P reacted heavily. Yes. Yeah, Oxy down. Oxy big down for no reason. I mean, oil is a little bit red, but that doesn't make a lot of sense. Ortex tweet, was that a while ago when they talked about AMC and GME utilization? Because I still don't trust it. It just makes 0 sense, like negative sense. Ortex. Oh, this is a little bit different. Hold your horses. Ortex. Okay, we got a new tweet. We got a new tweet on Ortex. Hold on. AMC short squeeze trading signals. 2 short squeeze signals were generated based on the recent price increase and the high shorting levels in AMC. or text trading signals are based on historical performance and are not investment advice. AMC trading signals, what they give us. Is it type 3? Okay, so we got a type 2 and a type 3. Mean the average return on the type 3, 22%. The average return on the type 2, 4%. They both triggered today, though. So the thing with the Ortex trading signals is that, yes, every single time that we are going to see a massive run, we do see the Ortex trading signals come, but not every single time that we see Ortex trading signals come up, we see a massive run. So take it with a little bit of a grain of salt, but that could be interesting. So SPY trying to make its way back up here in the pre-market. Hold your horses. Viac and Disca. Let's see what we get on these in the open. 5 minutes to go. So Ortex says MOS in 2 days. What's the average holding period on these? Recommended holding? Yeah, both of these are 2 days. I don't know about that. I don't know. That's a weird one. XOM tanked and also crossed the 1348. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to watch those. Oil coming back. Gonna rip at open, says Long Jericho. I'd love to see it. Morning, my guy. Steven. What's up, buddy? How you doing? All right. Viacom chilling here. SPY flickering. GME down 4.34. Amy down about 5. Ankles coming today, dude. I'd love to see that. I would love to see that. Yeah, for everybody filtering here too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just the algorithm a whole lot. We got 4 minutes to go, everybody. Morning Vix. Armando, what's up, buddy? Should be a monster dump and open, then a recovery around 950. I think that's very, very possible. Super bear trap. I think it could be that as well. So SPY's hanging around the low of this range here. Amy coming down. Viacom looking all right. I'm looking for the crosses on Viacom and Disca. So Disca right now, I mean, yesterday it went on an absolute loop. Disca's down about 2% right now. So Disca could be the winner. The premium is going to be a little bit screwed up on Disca, but we'll have to take a look at it when that time happens, when it's starting to cross. Ortex is setting y'all up to get crushed on options. Exactly. So people were getting angry at me yesterday that I was saying that the 100% utilization is like kind of nonsense. One, the cost of borrow is not making any sense right now. But two, if you see that, people are going to go out and willy-nilly buying calls. What happened if you bought calls on AMC yesterday and held into today? You got blown up. So be very, very careful using these data sources to give yourself an investment, like as an investment decision. Be very, very, very careful. BBIG. Ho, what's up, Sam? How you doing, buddy? BBIG was down horrendously in the pre-market. Yeah, selling off again, down about 6.5. We got SPY at the low. Yeah, the SFT April 8th. Yeah, that's probably going to get delayed again. OxyDipso can cross up on the open, help out those 1348 traders. Hey man, they can still naked short. Right, exactly. They can still, I mean, naked short and short exempt. They can do that as well. They can do both of those things. So hold on. We have 3 minutes to go, everybody. Amy is at 1790. SPY's at 451.27. GME 118.50. I mean, think about this, though. Like, we're at 1790. GME's at 118.50. Like, even with this big sell-off that we're seeing in the pre-market here, we're still up a lot this week. Sold my AMC calls yesterday on the last 1 minute green candle. Flipped profit into SPY puts for this morning. Going to close quick. John, you crushed it, dude. Twitter tanking. Oh, please. Please, please, please. Yes, go. Twitter, sell. Pay me on those puts. I mean, my strike is deep, deep, deep out of the money, but you know. Yeah, I need a lot more on Twitter on this sell-off. So we'll see what happens. Amy kind of trying here, but nothing too crazy yet. Volume's decently high for both AMC, and GME in the pre-market today so far. I do want to watch Viac and bank stocks right at open to see if banks are going to catch a bid. Bank of America, what are they at here? Bank of America sold off pretty hard. Interesting. Yeah, you got calls on Twitter. Stop. I mean, technically, I do too. I have a next week strangle. I want to see Robin Hood tanking or nothing. I mean, me too. Me too. I don't like them. Oxy, what are we looking like over here? Selling off. Let's see if we get that cross. Played the strangle on Twitter too. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a dud. I think it's gonna be dud. All right, people, we got 1 minute to go. Here we go, people. So let's see what happens at market open. Let me pull up Viac and Disca, see if they catch a bid at open. Viac's down about 1. Disca down a lot more, I believe. So Disca could be the Disca with a candle right back to the upside here. So watch those. So again, Less than a minute to go. Discovery's getting a bid here. So watch Discovery, Viacom, Affirm, and that grouping, Affirm, PayPal, and Square, oil, and banks. Those are the three things that I want to look out for today. And then anything else that's crossing in a big way, like Netflix, we could hit a decent one on. Bank of America, Citi, and Wells Fargo all moving together. Yep, let's do this once more into the breach. Here we go. All right, people, we got less than a minute to go. Let's see what happens. All right, so SPY is right at the lower end of the supply and demand zone level here. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Amy with, oh my God, did you see that candle? Hold on, I can't be the only one who just saw that candle. That just shot up way up here. So SPY not moving a whole lot right now. AMC trying to get above 18 right here. Disca looking decent, trying to get this cross. GME selling off here. All right, so Disca's right around here. Viac, what did Viac's candle do? Viac trying to get a candle. Oxy, let's see what they're doing right at open. Oxy coming back to life over here. Neo, what's Neo doing? Neo trying to move here. Amy right flat at 18. So Disco, what do we got going on here, everybody? Yeah, you saw it too. That was crazy. I don't know what the hell that was, but that was nonsense. All right, let's check banks. I'll head over to Affirm. All right, Bank of America still up here. Affirm, what's this looking like? Reddit open. Amy 1797. Spy trying to make a move back up here. Oxy, what is this looking like? Oxy getting some candles. I like this. So GME coming down. Disco, where are we at with this one? Is this getting across yet? Yep. Disco looks like it wants to cross soon. Viac is another one. Nothing yet. AMC 1810, 1800. It's flickering, trying to get back up here. Let's see what happens. Amy Boomin, yeah. What the hell was that candle? I saw that too. That was crazy. I was like, hold on, hold your horses. Viac coming back to life here. Honestly, probably gonna touch Disca. Yeah, Disca looking real good over here. So let's see what happens with Disco right now. Disca. So I'm gonna go real small on the Discas. Just if it hasn't crossed yet, but it looks like it wants to. SPY wants to come back up real small because Disco likes to run and then sell off right away. So let me see. These spreads are going to be kind of insane. So Disco wants to cross. SPY's trying to come back to life over here. Let me see if I get filled on this. AMC's right around 18 right here. Yeah, Disco's getting jumpy. So Viac and Discovery are usually winners. Let's see what happens here with this. All right. So where's Oxy? Wow. Here comes the Oxy move that I was looking for in the pre-market. Watch oil start to get across here. SPY's trying to come back to life. Hold your horses, everybody. Up 142% on lift puts. There you go. All right, hold on. What do we got over here? The Disney contracts are dead. Oh, the Twitter. I don't know. I don't know how the Twitters are. All right, let's see what's going on over here. The Oxys are up a little bit here. That's not bad. The Neos are actually still green. That's a little bit weird. Neo. I don't know how that's going, but Amy's at 1812. SPY's trying to get a little bit of a move here. Viac, what's this one doing? I got a lot of open positions out here today, people. Jeez. Disco looking real solid. Amy Candle, Biggie trying hard. Yep. Go Amy. Yeah, Amy's looking like it wants to get above this 200 EMA right here. SPY's trying to come back to life. Disca flickering here. Disca can easily get this cross and then sell off and then rip until the end of the day. So let's see what happens with this. Affirm is ripping. All right, is that getting across? Because I do like Affirm. Yeah, Affirm real strong here. What about PayPal and Square? Are PayPal and Square running up with Affirm? PayPal's trying. Where's Square? Which one's getting the cross? None of them. None of them yet. So GME's coming back to life here. SPY's trying to come back up to this 13. BBIG is ripping. Hold on. Is that back into the green yet? Oh, BBIG is getting a candle. Trying 18 to 18 on AMC right now. We're still down about 4%, but this thing looks like it could get a little bit jumpy, hopefully. BBIG is looking like it wants to go. SoFi popping. Interesting. Roblox moving. There you go, people. All right, so let's check all these things over here. Oh, Disca, you absolute freaking beast. There we go. I don't know how these Discas didn't move, but I mean, they should. All righty. And then Oxys are doing good. Yeah. Disco looks real strong today. Let's see what happens with this. The spreads are just going to be a little wild. Viacom, what's going on with you? Is this getting across yet? Viacom looking like it wants to get a little spicy. AMC's coming up to that 25 MA over here, 1832. Let's go, people. Corsair ripping back. There you go. Should you hold a firm? I mean, I wouldn't hold through earnings, but is this getting a crossover here? No, not yet. Oh, GME's getting spicy. Back to 120. Spy's trying over here. Where's Oxy? Oh, baby. Look at Oxy right here. BBIG's exploding. I do have calls from yesterday, so let's see if this is going to go green. That would be really sweet if it did. It is flat on the 4-hour. AMC's looking across this 48 EMA right here. Hold on, people. All right, BBIG getting a sell candle over here. Disco, what's going on with this? Disco making new day highs over here. PayPal ripping. Yeah, so PayPal, Affirm, and Square, those are going to be the winners today, I think. So PayPal is coming back to life. Affirm not crossing it. It's going to be really expensive. Amy selling off a little bit here. Spy getting a candle. Where's Disco? Yeah, selling off a little tiny bit. That's kind of what I expect for Discovery today. So I went small, kind of started to scale in. The Oxys are up 23% right now. Oil's looking solid. So these Occidentals, if this starts to get going, this could be spicy on oil. So Amy's coming back down. Oil look good. Spy's trying to come back up here. GME is going on a run. 121.05 right now on Jimmy. Nvidia's reaching. Yeah. Okay. What else? Micron about to cross. Did I already sell Disca? No, I still have it. ATVI cross. Which way? Yeah, I like Activision today. So I do have a boatload of Activision calls. So I'm hoping that those start to print for me. So let's see what happens with Activision. Activision getting spicy. Spy's coming back to life here. Oh, baby. This could be a fun day. Disco, what are we looking like? Selling off a little. I think that Disco is going to run, come and then come right back. Micron ripping. Crossing. Oh, my Micron. Jesus. AMD. Hold on. AMD could get across here. Nope. AMC now 1825. It is trying to get that red to green move. We need another 70 cents on it. Spy's trying here. GME 120.40. Ooh, baby. Good morning, SB. Mara coming back. Oh, baby. DWAC cross. I'm going to stay away from DWAC. Here comes those shorts they have. Yeah, they can. All right, where's Oxy? Oh, my Oxy. Holy, this is exactly what I wanted out of this today. So these Oxy contracts are up 60% right now. If these go up 100%, I'm taking it and running. But Occidental's looking really, really strong. So this is just getting its 1348 right here. I was holding those contracts overnight, just kind of thinking that the inflation stuff was going to really push the oil up, which it is right now. So let's see how this goes. Amy, hold on. Amy 1813 spot. GME coming back down a little bit here. I almost have too many positions out here. Activision, what's going on? I know Activision was getting across. Now Activision just went back into the red. Ford, Corsair. It's trying. Take your initial investment and let the rest ride. I could do that, but I only have 2 of them. So that's the issue. Amy 1822. Spy popping here. Disca. Where's Disca? I think Disco's going to go. Spy moving back to the upside. Bank of America took a dump. Yeah, interesting. DWAC ripping. Interesting. All right, everybody. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I held Oxy overnight, also up 80%, but I only have one. Yeah, I'm up 85% on the Oxys right now, so I'm going to watch this really closely. If it hits 100%, I'm taking my gains and running. I'm making them free, I think is what I'm going to do. So Occidental Petroleum really getting jumpy over here. BP is probably going. Fox Business headline, Peloton get disgruntled workers storm CEO meeting. Hold on. No way. What is going on? We're in like complete unreasonable land right now. So Spy's moving back up here. Amy's at 1822. Peloton not doing a whole lot. Disca, what are we looking like over here? All right. GME's bouncing. Oxy. Holy shit. 89% on the Oxys. My God, this is nice. Nice little way to start off the day, huh? Over 150% on Micron. HD has been running like crazy with lows. They probably have earnings coming up. Lyft coming back. Oh, baby. It is crazy today. BBBY, 30% short interest. Yeah, HD and low. All right, hold on. Home Depot on the low over here. Spy's trying. AMC's at 1822. I mean, we easily could go red-green really quick. You're up 120% on Oxy so far? Jesus, dude. Good job. Yeah, 91% on these Oxys right now. Wait, now I'm not. Wait, what? How'd that happen? All right, let's see what we got. Wait, how did hold on. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. All right. Michael Burry tweet. No, I think that's a fake one. I think that's a fake Michael Burry tweet. Be careful with that. Spy's getting really jumpy right here. So watch Disca Occidental. There it goes. GME's coming back up to this 200 right here. Where are the shills? Michael Burry did, unless it's the real Michael Burry account, I don't think it's true. I saw the one yesterday that was like our stocks manipulated AMC and GME, and that one was completely fake. It's from a parody account. If it's a different one, let me know. But I saw that one yesterday. So let's see. Amy coming back up, making new day highs over here. 1836. Spy's looking good. Let's see. Oxy doing its thing. Disca, what do we like over here? Disca coming back down. That's kind of what I see with Discovery, what it's going to do today. What do we have here? All right. Yeah, the Discas are looking more accurate now. AMC's coming back to life. Spy is getting jumpy over here, though. Where's BB? All right, so BBIG moving back up. I think they are actually. Yeah, BBIG's trying here. So GME's coming up a little bit. Oh man, Express. There's so many things going on. DraftKings trying. All right, what about Affirm and PayPal? Affirm. That's all right over here. Looking for a cross. Amy getting above this 48 right here. We might get a 1348 on Amy. All right, 1842. We are only down 50 cents now. Spy's trying to make a move back up. BBIG bull flag. Yep, Joanne, you are correct on that one. Max Payne on AMC. 17 for this week. IWM coming up. Need more screens. Yeah. Let's see. Square. Yeah, Square's getting some action over here. Where's Disca? Yeah, here it comes. Oxy. Where's Oxy? Here comes Occidental. Let's see if this gets a little move that we want to see. I just have so many open positions right now. It's so hard to manage. All right. So Occidentals are up 80% right now. Got a nice little 1348 cross. Where is oil right now, though? Oil back into the green. ATVI, is it running? I think Activision could just go, yeah, there it is. So that's what I want to see on Activision right here. I'm down a little bit on these Activisions, but the spreads are nutty. So let's see what happens with these. These could really inflate right away. So I'll leave Activision up here a little bit. Those were a hold overnight yesterday too. Micron cross. There you go. Spy movement. AMC 1837 looking all right. Activision looking like it wants to get a little bit spicy. Come on. All right. The Discas are now in the green. This is kind of nice because I have so many positions out there that I like can't micromanage all of them and stare at it. All righty. BP crossed up. Fast is moving. Okay, so that would be Banks. Bank of America is bouncing off the 13. Spy's moving back up here. Only down about 0.7% now. Amy's trying to come up and make that new day high. GME might come down and bounce off this 13. Where's Disca? Disco looking all right. Occidental, how are we doing on this one? Chilling. Just kind of chilling on Oxy. Oh, Amy, new day high over here. Viac, where's Viac? Viac pumping. Viac is pumping. So watch Discovery and Viac. Where was the other one that we were looking at? Activision. Activision with a candle making that new day high. Viac cross on the 3-minute. There you go. Cashed out on the Oxy. Going to come down. I think it will come down at some point today. These Activisions are looking strong, though. So these might have just flickered right into the green here. The Oxys are up 77%. Honestly, that would probably be a good take on that one. So let's see. Where is Oxy right now? What's it looking like? It just got that 1348 cross with oil doing pretty good. Amy, new day highs over here. 1850 as that What the hell is this? What did we miss over here? What did we miss? What the hell is this wick? What Spy Candle? What are you doing? All right, Oxy doing its thing over here. It got that 1348. Usually it runs a little bit off the 1348 and then tanks. You got to watch it closely. EA looks like it will cross up. I mean, that's Activision too. So the Activision, the spreads are nutty. ATVI. Yeah, Activision could get dirty here, I think. Spy, what is this wick right here? AMC 1348 cross on the 4-hour. Yup. XOM 1348. Yeah, I think the oil ones could get a little jumpy today. So let's see. Shortages on Viagra. All right. Well, I don't know that, but you could do what you got to do. All right. ATVI still looking good. Where's Neo? Neo down. BBIG, how's that doing over here? Still down, but it's flagging a little here. So Amy, 1834. SPY, I don't know what the hell's going on with that thing, but that's a little bit weird. Go, Amy, go. Yep, yep, yep. Viac about to cross on the 5-minute. I could push Disco up with it. Yeah, Disco looking solid. Inflation up, retail not now. Retail just doesn't care. All right, somehow these Discos are flat. Those are going to be slow movers today. 83% on the Oxy. I think Activision's going to print. DD cross. I don't know. Isn't that the Kramer stock? I don't like that. All right, Amy coming back up again here. Oh, Disca, you dirty dog. There we go. How much did I put on this? Not a whole lot, but I mean, this could get nutty. So we'll see what happens with it. BA ripping, Boeing. Actually, if they're gonna mess with me on these contracts, I'm just gonna buy more. Oh yeah, Boeing 1348 cross and absolutely pumping. Where is Occidental? It's looking all right here. Activision. Oh shit, Activision. What are you doing over here, big guy? Facebook green now. Interesting. So this could be just a massive head fake. Like it's very possible that this is just a giant head fake. So let's see what happens with the SPY over here. It did get that 5-minute MACD cross. Amy's trying to make a move back to the upside. Activision looking pretty good right now. Not gonna lie, the Discas are coming back to life. BBIG pumping. Oh, sends new day high. All right. Oh, yeah, it's pumping here. BBIG, did that go into the green yet? No, it needs about another 8 cents, but it's breaking out of this little flag it's got here. SPY's trying to pump. GME 120.65. AMC down about 57 cents, but it is trying to get a little jumpy over here. ATVI, let's go. Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping, man. ATVI, come on, go. Man, it's trying. Oxy. All right. Let's leave Oxy up for a little bit. All right. So I'm up 83% on the Occidentals. You got out of Oxy, bought the call for 57 yesterday, sold it for 120. Good enough for me. Justin Craig, at a boy. Let me check oil really quickly. Yeah, oil's looking good right now. So I'm going to leave these for a little bit, see if Oxy's going to get a couple more candles. Amy, 1833. It's a nice number to see. I want Don Julio, 1942 today, though. Don't paper hand. Don't be mean to me. All right, the Activisions are now into the green. Got a lot of Activisions. Oh, come on. Micron's crazy. Yeah, that was a dirty trade yesterday. IRNT. 32%. This is probably an earnings move. News or like a buyout. Packed with GCC countries, so a little bit of a merger news there. SPY, kind of getting a little bit of a breather here. Let's see. Where's Discovery? Discovery trying to make new day highs over here. And then what else do we want? Occidental. Still looking good. Viac crossing. There you go. 10 million in volume in the first 3 minutes. Hold on. Where is it? Yeah. 8 point. Yeah, it is. No. So it's 8.36 million in volume on AMC. So SPY coming back up here again. GME kind of flickering right around the 13 EMA. We got 1831 on Amy. Come on. Rockets and basketballs. There we go. 200% on Oxy. There you go. Viacom cross. I love that. I love that. Where's Viac though? Viac's usually the winner. Maybe I'll do a little Viac. Yeah, Viac cross. Just a little one. Let's see if they'll fill me. Oh, they filled me. Interesting. Okay. SPY moving back down here. Where's Occidental? OXY. Chilling. 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 You guys want Ortex update? Yeah, I got you. All right. So these were the short squeeze signals. Shorts. So AMC, 2.38 million borrowed shares against this thing today. 21.73% estimated short interest. Today's a wild day so far, people. SPY coming back down. Okay. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Yeah, a couple doji can't, not anymore. Doji candles don't always mean reversal to the, they could easily just, it's just big move. It'll just be like up, down. Lucid. Lucy, down. Lucy, down. 200% on Lucid. 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 The Activisions are doing good. The Oxys are doing good. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I should do something with these Occidentals just because I have so much money out there right now that I don't really want to leave. So Oxy's at the high. I'm probably going to take one of these right here. So I'll sell one of these. All right, it filled me on that. That was a good fill. I'll take one of those off the table. Activision still looking good over here. So I sold one of the Occidentals. Kind of made it. It's not free, but like it took most of the money back. Activision, how are these looking? Activision looking strong still. BBIG, where's it going? Oh, BBIG looks like it wants to push it. Amy pushing that new day high over here. Hold your horses, everybody. BBIG is about to cross on the 5-minute. Here comes BBIG to the upside. I know somebody was talking about Sen's new day high. So Sen's looking strong over here, everybody. Where's Disca and Viac? I just like those. Those are typically winners for me. So we'll see what happens. Viac did get a cross here. Yeah, here it comes to the upside. GME up above the 200. AMC 1845 looking like it wants to make a new day high. The previous day high is at 1850. Yeah, BBIG or text on BBIG, please. Yeah. Yep. BBIG. Come on, everybody. We're having some fun today, people. Oh, Amy, new day highs over here, 1852. It's starting to pump. Utilization on BBIG, 100%, 164% average cost to borrow, 28.66% estimated short interest. But Amy's getting a candle over here. Viac looking good. Spy's getting a candle. Oh, man. Amy is only 30 cents in the red right now. Here we go, everybody. Come on. Oxy high. I heard that. Did it actually make a new day high? Yeah, I mean, it's coming up. The Activisions are up 25%. The Discas and the Viacs are up a little bit. The Discas are a little bit red, though. Disca is going to be a little bit of a slow mover. All of a sudden, the premium can just go boom if it starts to move. So Disca, if this just gets a candle and just goes whoop. Oh, GME new day highs over here, 122.88. AMC looking strong. Spy looking good over here. Oh, man. That was a boom. That was a boom and a half. All right, I want these Discas to go nutty, and then I want Activision to go absolutely bullshit too. Yeah, Activision being an a-hole. The Oxy's up 96%. There you go. Yeah, Oxy good. ATVI. I want ATVI over 82. I think it can do it. GME looking real strong right here. ATR jumping to. You are the sportscaster for the market. I appreciate that. Smash that like. Yeah, if you guys don't mind on your way and just hitting that like button on the stream, let's get some more people in here and watch these boom boom candles fire off. Whew. Buy the dip. Let it rip. Boom charge point. Did it get a pop? Yeah, charge point. Oh my God. Amy just flickered into the green. Just hit 19. Here we go, people. Woo! Can't hold her down for long. All right, the Viacs are up a little bit. The Discas are slightly red. The Oxys are up a little bit. The Sens contracts are up. All right, AMC coming up. It's looking like it wants to break 19 here, people. Everybody, spam some of those 19s. 1902 is the previous day high. Let's get some more 19 over here. Just start spamming 19 in the chat. Charge Point's getting some action over here. Spy's starting to move up. Charge Point's getting a lot of action over here. GME is only 40 cents in the red right now. AMC is flat. It is looking like the buyers want to step back in on this thing and really send this thing back to the upside. Here we go. 19s. There we go. Oxy still look. Oh, I think you did it. I think you did it. I think you're about to do it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here she goes. Come on. Let's go, Amy. If we break 19 with some momentum, this thing's going to get nutty and could. Okay, 1902, 1903, new day high, 05. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Woo! 1909, 1910. Oh, man. Let's get some 1942, huh? All right. Now there's a new number. You can either say Don Julio or 1942. Those are the two numbers. And it has nothing to do with technicals. It's just a funny number. All right. ATVI. What are we looking at over here? Activision coming back to life. Oxy. Selling off a little bit here. Where is Viac and Disca? Viac coming up nicely. Disca, what are we looking like on you over here? Disca, there it goes. Amy, come on. SoFi cross, there you go, people. Yeah, also, if you guys want to learn the strategy that we are using to make all of these nasty trades, make sure you check out the link to the free part of the Discord pinned in the top of the chat. You don't have to join premium if you don't want to. It just gives you a better view of the overall market, but Amy's getting some pop here. 1904, I want to see 20 today. Remember, at 20, ankles. Don Julio, here we go. All right, so Disca's doing all right over here. Amy's looking like it wants to make that new day high. Still chilling right around 19. I love to see this. Activisions are up decent. Oxys are up. Oh my God. We are just, oh my God. The Viacs are up 23%. Crushing it today, everybody. Screw inflation. Yeah. SPY's moving up here. Amy's doing good. GME is looking like it wants to make new day highs too. GME just went into the green. Amy's coming up. I like this. I like this. For the low price of $19.99, you can get one. Fuck you to the market maker. All right, 1901 on AMC right here. Come on. All right. Disca's coming up here a little bit, I think. Disca's just flagging. I think this could just go whoop right up. Disca had a good day yesterday. Could have another good day today. Amy, here we go. Come on. Come on. Up, 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 up. Party like it's 1999. BBIG, Biggie flying. Oh, I love that. I do have calls on Biggie for next week. Yeah, BBIG just went into the green over here. But wait, there's more. All right, 1901. Yeah, BBIG did cross up. May 2021 vibes. Yup, here we go. So GME getting a little bit of a sell candle here. Amy is saying, fuck it, I want to go on a run. SPY coming back up again. Oh, BBIG is getting some action over here. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. All right, so my BBIG contracts just went green. The Oxys just went down a little bit. The Activision's not doing a whole lot. The Sens contracts are doing good. So let's see what we have over here. Where is BBIG's going on a run here, people? This is nice. This is good to see. Anything else crossing? I just have so many positions out there right now. I'm like, overstimulated. But let's see what we get here. I might ditch I'll probably, I don't know. We'll see. All right, the Viacoms and Discos look like they're about to come back to life here. BBIG coming up. Amy, new day high, 1920. Here we go. Micron ripping. Yeah, I kind of wish I held those, but you can't win them all. I'm trying to win on some of these things today. Activision, what are these looking like over here? Activision looks like it wants to flag before it wants to make a nice little move up. All right. Yeah, also, I think I might be the only one streaming AMC right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. If people need a place to go to watch these boom boom candles fire off, let's give them a spot to do it. 1903. We haven't seen 19 in a while, people. This is great. Facebook cross. PayPal getting close to a cross. Yeah, PayPal and Affirm are decent. Okay, if SPY gets above this 200 EMA here, it could get fun. 1905 on Amy. GME's getting a couple of sell candles over here. Activision looks like it's ready to just go boom. Where's Oxy? Oxy selling off a little here. BBIG, that thing's still looking good. Yeah. Oh, BBIG's getting some candles. 69,000 in the money calls for AMC. That's not very many. That's not enough to really trigger stuff. So Oxy's still doing good. Biggie calls up 6%. Activision's up like 5%. The spreads suck. Yeah, they're just flicking around. Sens contracts are up a little bit. Amy still hanging right around 19. It might be taking a little bit of a breather before it wants to go boom right back up. But let's see. Zynga cross, Smile Direct cross. A lot of things are crossing with the SPY doing what it's doing right now. Let's see. Where is Disca? Yeah, Disca looks good. Viac. Oh, Viac looks really good, man. Oh, man, these look good. 20% on Viacom. I didn't put very much into it, but let's see. Prague crossing. All right, Amy coming down. Where's Prague? So Viacom looking really strong over here. Disca, are you going to get a little bit of a move here, buddy? Yup, there it goes. So, wait, what? Amy, okay, so Amy's flickering down to 1892.95, flickering red greed right now. GME might come down and test this 13 EMA. SPY still looking like it wants to pop up above this 200 EMA here. Watch out, things could still get very spicy today. We see an ankles, hopefully, man, hopefully. No, Amy up, I know. Oh, here it goes again. Here it goes. SPY up, Amy up, 19, 14, 15. Oh, volume on AMC already, 13.37 million. So where's Viac right now? Viac pumping, making some money over here. These Viacom contracts are probably about to run in the money. Oxy coming back to life. AMC new day high, 1929. Oh, baby. We're about to get to the Don Julio over here, 1942. Remember, 1950 is the start of the new danger zone. If we start to run through 20, it could get gnarly. What's max pain for GME this week? Actually, I don't know that. Let me pull that up really quickly. Max pain. Let me pull this up. Amy's just over here trying to make new day highs over here. I don't know. This is solid, people. This is a fun time. All right. So GME max pain is 110. Oxy's coming back. All right. Spy not doing a whole lot here. Let's see where Diska and Viac are at. Diska, moon mission. Viac, probably a moon mission. Oh, my Viacom contracts are about to go in the money. 58% on Viacom right now. My Discos just are not moving. How are my... Did Activision just die? No. So why are my contracts dead? Oh, Amy, new day highs over here. 18 or 1932. Oh, we are 10 cents away off Don Julio. We are 10 cents away from Don Julio. Viac, how we doing? Oh, Viac, you dirty dog. Diska. Diska needs to go. Oh, here we go. New day highs on Discovery. I don't know how they're saying these contracts aren't moving here, but this is crazy. I'm buying another one. It needs a lot of movement. I'll leave these right here. The Viacoms are up 41%. The Oxys are up 59. My BBIGs are up 10%, and the Sens are up. The Activisions are just flickering. Neos are down. Let's see. 19 on 18. Yeah, I know. Oh, new day highs. All right, we're 3 cents off Don Julio. Here we go. Come on. Spy flag in here. Dude, Amy looks so good today. Lou candles. Yep. We're getting some loot. All right, here comes Discovery. GME with a giant candle right now. All right, Discovery's really getting jumpy. This is going to be another dirty trade. Wow. Amy, come on. Let's get to 20 today, people. You told me Don Julio was coming? Dude, Don Julio's always welcome. 53% on the Viacs, 13% on the Discos. WIOG8, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Up 52% on AMC calls, March 11th, 1950. Take profit or get greedy. You have to be perfectly okay with those contracts significantly depreciating in value over or going to zero. They could print for you and they could go absolutely nutty, but you have to be very, very careful with options now. Spy's now peeking its head up above this 200 EMA. AMC 1922. Oh my, Discovery. Jesus. Honestly, Discovery and Viac are like my favorite. Oh, printing up 65% on Viac. There we go. Nice textbook 1348 here, people. Just learn the strategy. We're good to go. AMC got a nice little 1348 right here. This thing could get nutty. I'm not going to lie. It could get nutty today. Don Julio time. The previous day high is 2 pennies off of Don Julio. What is this whole ankle thing? It's hard to explain. It has to do with like this Ken Griffin on house arrest thing, and I freaked out about it because it's nonsense, but whatever. All right, so 1928 on AMC right now, up again margin call at 2 p.m. If you're not having fun, you're not having fun. Cold hard facts. STV makes my day. Thank you. Affirm cross. Don't you tempt me with a good time. Yeah, I mean, I already have contracts that are kind of printing here, so I'm going to leave these things be. Oxys are up 60%. BBIGs are up 20% now. Where's Biggie over here? BBIG doing real good. AMC looking good. Oh, man, here we go. Looking for the Don Julio. GME, new day highs over here. Come on. Up 21% on NVIDIA calls. Check Uber. Thank you, Keith. Uber looks like it wants to cross. I mean, it did have earnings yesterday, so the premium is going to be a little bit wonky, but I mean, we could check that one. Floop. That's what we want. My Viacs are up 92%. How the hell did you do that? Oh, you might have gotten the further out strike. I went with the 3650. Yeah, so mine are up 78% and my Discos are up 31%. But these are printing right now. So if these go up 100%, again, I'll make them free. Actually, I can't. They need to go a lot more than that. Okay, cool. So Amy looking like it wants to approach that Don Julio number over here. How many people? Geez, we got 3,600 people in here. What's up, people? Viac 61%, BBIG 110%, AMC 150%, Disca 35, Oxy -9. Yeah, I held the Oxys from yesterday, so that's kind of why mine are still in the green. I think Oxy could still be a good one today. I'm just going to leave it be. I already took profit off the table. I'm good with that one. BBIG contracts up 350%. My man, there you go. All right, Oxy coming back to life. Amy, the buyers are taking over. The buyers are taking over on Amy. Viac looking all right. Disca still got a ways to go here. Oh, man, Disca's looking good. AMC new high of the day? Not yet. 88 II. Thank you so much for the super. DD was the Uber play, bro. That's what I was saying. Oh, huh? Well, I don't know what DD is. DD's up 7%. That's not bad. Little cross here. You could have played that one. 88. Thank you for that. Super. I really appreciate that. 750% on AMC. There you freaking go, man. That's what we like to see. So again, I guess if you held your AMC contracts, you're doing pretty good. But again, 2K likes STV will talk twice as fast. No, TLT coming up. Is it? Well, see, the thing with TLT today, the bond already made a giant move in the pre-market. So this is just kind of like a reversion move. SPY is coming up here. SPY is going to go green. SPY needs another dollar and then it could shoot into the green. Where's Disca and Viac with this SPY move right here? Because these are printing. Yep, Disca print, Viac. Wow. Here we go. Mark, thank you so much for the super, bud. Bing bong, shorts going long. I like that, dude. Neo crossing up. Ooh, I like that too. I do have a Neo call from yesterday that I left for fun. Activision, what's going on with you? The Activision kind of sucks right now, not gonna lie. He thinks I called it. Yeah. SVU diamond handing today. That's my contracts. I probably should, right? I should do that. Because I haven't been. Disca and Viac I'm more comfortable with just because I kind of know how they move. Like I'll hold the shit out of these. SCV is practicing to get his auctioneer's license. I don't know, man. SoFi. Disca coming up to a new day. Hold on. Don Julio? Is that you? Am I going to have to go spend a bunch of money to go get a bottle of 1942 just to have on the screen? That would be funny. Micron at it again. Dang. SPY up again. Oh, all right. We just hit it. 1942. Here we go. Don Julio. Thank you. Everybody, tequila. Here we go. Spam the Julios. Here we go. This is so much fun today. 1942 right now. I didn't think we were going to see that quick, but that was sweet. 1940. Wow. There we go on the Don Julio. I like it. BKKT ripping. Yeah, that one's been going. Where's BBIG? Whoa, BBIG looking good. Oh, okay. 1950 on AMC. We are approaching the first danger zone. Get ready. First danger zone is coming up through 1950. You're approaching the danger zone. So watch out on that one. Remember, they took out a bunch of shares on loan against this today, so they can use them right here, right around this danger zone. Viacom selling off a little here. Disco, what's going on with you? Disco still looking strong. NVIDIA crossing. There you go. All right. Oh, 1952. Here we go. Hold on. Let me see what these contracts are doing. 46% on the Viacs, 25% on the Discas, 20% on BBIG, 70% on Oxy, and then a couple of things are a little bit red. Keith, thank you so much for the super, bud. I appreciate that. Have 5 calls up 20% on all of them. 21.6% on PayPal. There you go, Keith. Holy shit. All right, people. Get ready for ankles. Get ready. It's 1975. Come on. Let's go. Come on, people. Come on. Disca coming up. Amy's new high at 1978. Holy shit. Ankle zone? Yeah, the ankle zone is the danger zone as well. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in. This is fun today. Let's get some... Oh, this is dirty. All right, SPY doing its thing over here. Where's Oxy? Oxy coming back to life. Oh, Amy's going to get to 20 today. Calling it. Amy above 20. You guys are going to get ankles today, I think. Energy drink number 2. Here it goes. Neo crossing. Good. Get my contracts out of the gutter. Oxy back up. SPY flickering around. Where's Viac? Viac coming back to life. Disca. I mean, they're all good right now. Everything is looking solid. Amy is just looking dirty. This is wild. I can't even see. All right, here's what I'm going to do, guys. The chat is flying right now, so I am going to put it on a little bit of a slow mode, just a little bit. And it's going to be quick. It's going to be a 10-second slow mode because I want to be able to see your guys' messages. All right, we're about to hit 20. I want to be able to see your guys' messages, and I don't want everybody to like feel the need to 20. We just hit 20. Here we go. So I'm turning on slow mode a little bit here. Let's see. Yeah. So it's a 10-second slow, just because I don't want to only have to read supers. Mark, thank you so much for the super. I'm not gay, but ankles are ankles. Remember, it is closing. It is a closing price of 20, but 2015 right now. We are in the danger zone, people. This is dangerous for the shorts right now. And here is why. So when you think about average days on loan and what chat has been halted, that's 10 seconds. It didn't really do anything. I might have to move it a little bit. Thank you, STV. Yeah. Hold on. Let me make it a little bit more just because I want to be able to see these messages and I don't. Let me do 20 seconds. All right, Amy is ripping right now. So I just changed it a little bit. I just want to be able to see people's messages, and I don't want everybody to feel the need that they have to send in supers to have a conversation. We're going to halt. And if we halt on the way up, that's going to be dirty. So here is why this is approaching a danger zone level right here. So when we go back to AMC's Ortex, we are at 20.0302 right now, making big moves today. So AMC right here, this is why these levels are getting important. So let me see if I can pull this up really quickly so we can get back to the charts. So, average days on loan right here. This one right here is the other danger zone. It went from 80 average days on loan all the way down to 62. That means that's a level where the shorts were piling in, and that's right around January 17th, I think it was. What price were we at? Well, it was right around here when we were trading at 1939. So right around here is where this danger level is, where it could just start, where they shorted it on the way back down. Now we're approaching that level where they were piling in. So what does that do? It's like, oh, shoot. Now our position went from big green when we were trading at like 14, 13. Now it's flat or even red. Smash that like. Yeah, for everybody, stop stalling, show them ankles. It's a closing price over 20. We do it at the end of the day. All right, so 1995. Let's see if these buyers are going to step back in. We get these FOMO buyers on AMC. Guys, we've had 2 days in a row, and this reminds me a lot of right around my birthday, like a lot of right around when my birthday was. 2 green days in a row that are over 10%. 10% the 2 days ago, 15% the other day. Disc is coming back down. SPY selling a little bit here. I mean, that's fine. These contracts are still printing. And we got Amy running. So we can just diamond hand all these contracts here, right? Right? Is that how it works? All right. The Discas are up 22%. The VIAX are up 55%. The Oxys are up 78. The BBIGs are up 25. Let's see. So Amy looking like it wants to make a little move here. Let's see what happens. SPY coming down a little tiny bit. When was my birthday? May 27th. 30. Again, if we go up over 35.58% in a day, one of you, and it's your birthday, you get mod for a day. It's not my birthday today. This reminds me of May. You start to see the excitement coming back. You see it doesn't really follow the market. It's starting to do its thing. You see really high short interest, all-time high shares sold short according to the exchange. Here it goes. So GME right now, 127.02. Everything's looking solid over here. NVIDIA cross. Don Julio has left the building. Yep. All righty. Let's see. Yeah. Also, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on the way in too. Make sure people have a place to go to watch this stuff because this is getting fun. 2.38 million shares borrowed on AMC today. Oh, they're selling it off here. They're trying to give it a candle. Ortex short squeeze signal. Yeah, there was 2 of them. They got the type 3 and the type 2. Use the 1-minute candle. I would rather not. I just like it better on the 5. So VIAC coming back up, SPY making its move here. Disco, what are we looking at? Disco still looking solid. Rands, if you talk shit about my boy, I'm gonna time you out. Disco coming back up here. Are people piling in on options? Let's look. Yeah. Holy shit. There's 11,000 in volume at this 19 today. So that could be people selling and buying, but there's 14,000 contracts at 19. If we break 20, that's a decent amount more. But again, like this is getting wild. Like this is wild price action that we've seen out of AMC. Like pretty wild. Did Max Payne get a bump? If there's a lot of call buying, you would see Max Payne go down. But let's take a look here. And again, remember, Max Payne is a range. In my mind, Max Payne is always a range. Whoa. This is the first time I've ever seen. Oh, because they added strikes. Max Payne now on AMC is 1750. 1750. what's the most viewers you've had? It's probably really close to this right now. For that, I mean, we might get to this is craziness right here, people. I told you delta hedging. It's not okay. So it's not. Where's Stonko Tracker? There's only 73,000 call contracts in the money. We need like 200,000. That's what we need. And we could get there if we continue back to the upside here. So SPY's taking a little bit of a breather here, knocking Amy down with it. We might come back down to Don Julio 1942. Big Reds, don't be scared of them. We are up a lot right now. You should have triple the viewers. Pablo, I appreciate that, buddy. I really appreciate that. Let's see. This is late May price action. Yeah. Yeah. It feels like it. It feels a lot like, all right, so disc is coming down. SPY's flickering here. Where's Oxy? Or Viac? What's Viac doing? Oh, new candles. New candles. Well, let's see what Amy's doing on their new candle. Flickering. Viac doing all right over here. Oxy, what's going on with this? Oxy looking strong still. Relax on a little sell candle. It's okay. It's okay, guys. You're going to be all right. We're going to see a lot of volatility. It's going to go up. It's going to come down. Think about when we're actually like really going 110% on Oxy. Thanks, Vix. Thanks, 1348. Yep. Woo. All righty, people. So SPY's just kind of hanging out over here. It might come out and bounce off of this 200 here. Let's see. Oxy chilling. Viac. What are we looking like over here? Viac trying. Disco. What are we looking like? Disco coming down. Uber acting like a beat. Yeah. Those big red candles excite me. Next leg up. You have 4 options and they are all in the money. There you go. Treasury note 62% bearish. Ooh, which yield? 78% on Oxy. There you go. All right. Disco selling off here. It tends to do this sometimes. So I'm going to hold these for a while. Had to take profit on 20 AMC strike because I was up 427%. Jesus, that's awesome. Francisco, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. GGPI. GGPI. It crossed back here at 1108. And then let's take a quick look at the Ortex on it. GGPI. Yeah, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. 6.2% estimated short interest, 96% utilization. Nothing in the securities lending market today for this thing. So Amy holding right around 1960. SPY coming down to the 200. Let's see what happens with this. Viac and Disca. So they're selling off a little bit here. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. Hit my first 1348. Dude, I'm happy for you. You finally got one. 25% on Viac. Took early profit so I could come in here and make the announcement that it's official. The market's my bitch now. Hugh, thank you so much, buddy. I'm happy it's working out for you on that one. Viac is a good one. So good for you on that trade. There's going to be a lot more to come for you, buddy. I just look at the specific stocks that you like to trade and you can just run it. Don Julio support confirmed. Yeah, Don Julio typically does not act as support in normal life, but in stock market world, it might. Let's see here. 1950 on AMC right here. All right, so SPY coming down right through this 200 here. Disco holding. I'm on DraftKings cross. Ooh, which way? Downside? Latino Heat, thank you so much for the super. Vix, thanks for always keeping it gangsta. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, DraftKings cross, but is coming down a little bit here. I think the market's just kind of cooling off before we start to head back up again. I don't really think it gives a shit about this inflation stuff right now. Closed 2,000 this week in AMC options. Decent. That's solid, dude. Paper hinted my girlfriend. That's tough. All right, so SPY's bouncing off the 200 here. Watch out. Like I was saying earlier, the SPY can get a little bit selly if it really wants to come back down. Viac, what are we looking at over here? It's still good. This is the biggest gigs that I know. Holy Bitcoin, this market is drunk. What's going on with Riot? Wow, Riot came back to life over here. Amy, 1950. SPY bouncing around over here. Viac may go to 45 next week. What's Viac at now? I don't even know. Oh, that would be dirty. I mean, it's coming back up here. SPY trying as well. Viac and Disca. Here's the thing about Viacom and Discovery. Sometimes they just move regardless of the market. How tall am I? I'm 6'2". GGPI ripping since yesterday after hours. There you go. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Amy is having an awesome day right now. awesome day, up 3% above 19. We crossed above 20, which we were getting into that danger zone level. Let's see what happens with it. SPY's flickering around right now. Disca, what are we looking at on this? Disca, it's doing all right. Oxy, how is this doing now? Oxy selling off a little bit here. I might take that last contract, just get it off the table, get some money back, make a nice little, I mean, they're up 71%, which is kind of wild. I'll take that back. Let's see if I can get this sell right here. Probably can. I'll leave that sell order out right here. Dustin, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Up 500% on BRCC calls. Thanks for all you do. Dude, good job. I love to see that. All right, that probably filled. Yeah, filled out of Oxy now. That was a good one. BBIG. Actually, we haven't taken a look at BBIG in a while. So BBIG is up about 2.8%. SPY's flickering right around the 200 EMA here. Amy, 1960. GME, right between the 13 EMA and the 25 MA right here. Affirm, boom booms. Did it cross? Now, Affirm coming down. Everything's just kind of flickering right here. So let's see. 23K in volume at the $20 strike. Yeah, I saw that. But I look so tiny. I am 6'2". All right, so SPY right around here. Hold on. Where's Viac and Disca? I almost don't want to take these now, but I also probably should just because of how much money I have randomly out there on stuff. The Viacs are still up 40%. So maybe I'll sell the Disca, take the actually it hasn't come down to this level yet. So we'll diamond hand these today. We'll get some diamond handedness in here. Let's see. All right. I don't think we need slow mode anymore. I think we're good to go. I think I'll take that one off. No more slow mode. So you guys can YOLO all you want. YOLO messages in the chat. Here we go. Spam chat. Here we go. Disco back up here. SPY coming down a little bit. Discovery and Viacom probably aren't going to give too much of a shit about this. Yeah, let's see what happens with these. They're kind of flagging. Amy, 1961. Here it goes. Yeah, I took off slow mode for you guys just because it slowed down. And I was like, all right, well, YOLO. Don't tempt me. Oh, baby. All right, Viacom looking good. Amy coming back up. Let's see if we can get that test of 20 again. That would be pretty sweet. SPY doing its thing. GME trying to come back up here. Oh, baby. 3 for 3 on 1348, up 45% in an hour. LFG, Jacksad, boy. If you guys want to learn more about that strategy, check out the free part of the Discord linked in the top. All the strategy is out there completely for free to learn. But if you want to get premium, what you're going to get with premium is essentially like you're going to get the 1348 crossover alerts on 350-ish stocks in the market. So it just gives you a better view of everything. So we'd love to see you learning the strategy. That's really it. I just want to see people making money. But let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Amy is not done today. It is not done. 1880 right here, 26 million in volume already. A little bit of a sell-off coming back up. SPY is coming down a little bit, but it doesn't really care. Same thing with Viac over here. So this could get a little interesting. Here we go. Go, Amy, go. It's coming. I don't think AMC is done at all today. I think we could easily see another test of 20. Turned a 400 stack into 4,000 in 4 days. Am I doing this right? Yes. Viac coming back up here. Where's Disca? Disco with a nice little candle here. Where's Activision? That's really what I'm curious about over here. Activision, what you doing? Chilling. Started with options count Tuesday. Started with 40 and at 244 right now. Thank you, Kayla. There you go. There you freaking go. All right, Amy, 1980 right here. SPY's just hovering around its 200, just kind of waiting for a move. Viac, what are we looking like? Good. Turned 500 into 1,500 in 2 days. Atta boy. Andres, dude, thank you so much for that big super. You didn't have to do that. Least I can do, motherfucker. Based on profits locked in. Thanks, bud. Thanks for the ideas and not the BS. 1348. Boom. Gabe, appreciate you too. I don't think Gabe's in here right now, but yeah, thank you so much, Andres, for that super. I appreciate that, buddy. 1348 is the truth. All right. SPY bouncing up here a little bit. Amy is at 1977. Viac doing solid. Holy crap, 26 million in volume on Amy so far. Yeah, we are probably going to see, if the volume stays, we could see 150, 200 million volume day today if we really start to get going. Language. You know what, one fast duster? You're not my mom. All right, Viac coming up here, looking like it wants to test that previous day high. GME coming up here. I can't wait to take that $244 and go to 500 next week. Kayla, there you go. Watching you is like watching Super Bowl commentary. It makes trading so much more fun. Eric, I appreciate that, bud. Amy coming back up. 18. Sorry, 19. I swear to God, I might be dyslexic. 1984. Spy trying to make a move here. Disca. I also talk really fast. Remember, I used to have like the worst stutter of all time. So sometimes it comes back out. Neo running. Oh man. Neo, is it really? I have the 26s. It's all right. They're doing all right over here. Act professional. Fine. Fine, mom. All right, 71% on the Viax. I like that. That's not bad. I think those could be good. I think Disc is going to be even better. GME with a candle. All righty. This is the John Madden of AMC. Sure. For the low price of $19.99. You are really funny. Thanking someone for support by saying, no, it was in his, no, Michael, it was in his message. If you look at the super, he says it. It says mother FO. So I just said it. I probably shouldn't have, but you know, it happens sometimes. Neo back down. Spy flickering right around the 200 again. What about Viac and Disca? That's not what happened. I didn't swear at him for sending me in a super. You know what we do to supers around here? What we actually do? Ban them. I'm just kidding. Disco. What do we got over here? Disco trying. Amy, come on. Let's get that test of 20 again here, everybody. Well, I know. I was complimentary. I love this. I'm having so much fun today. All right, guys. So Spy looking good over here. Just kind of hanging around. I mean, it's still down about the 0.4%, but this thing could get a little fun. Disca kind of being a little a-hole right here. Disca just kind of does this thing in the morning and then just goes whoop moon mission. So let's see if we can get that going today. GME 120 essentially 126.88. We got AMC 1976 over here. If the energy drinks you drink, you're not. Oh, that's fine. Drop the band hammer on supers. Sub SV ankles incoming, dude. If we close above 20, we'll get ankles. Fire coming down. Or text on Amy. I got you guys. I got you. 100% utilization. I guess. 1.47% average cost to borrow, 21.73% estimated short interest, borrow chairs 2.38 million. Trey's mustache. Woo, member for 3 months. Shout out to all the members of the channel. Thank you guys. I've been green on 7 out of the last 8 options I've played since you've helped me. I only lost on 1 because I panicked and sold too early. Trey's mustache, dude. The 1348 strategy is solid. Follow the rules, it works. Like it's just a strategy. It's simple. We make it simple for everybody. Yeah, Viac looking good. Trey's mustache. I love to see that, buddy. Let's get you back to even. Nice cost to borrow increase on Amy. Not really. I mean, it's 1.47. I mean, the max is 2.4, coming up a little. All right, Viac looking good. It's like 2 cents off the previous day high. Spy getting a bounce. Amy at 1982. GME wants to get that new day high at 128.22. It's at 127.30 right here. Mark the Realtor. Thank you for the super buddy. Disney 165 end of the day. There we go. Tendies. Oh, we got all the members in here. What's up, guys? I do not remember the at close. Gang needs shankles. It is at close. It's always at close. Sometimes it's end of the week too, but I'll be nice and do it at close. Destroy that like button. Apes best market live stream. Thank you, Henry. I appreciate that. All right, Viac looking like it wants to make new day highs. Spy trying to bounce a little bit here. Where's Disco? Is Disco getting a little bit of a pop? Yep. There we go. Spy close to a cross? It is. Spy is very close to a cross. It could be waiting on this cross to send it up, but the 5-minute MACD might cross down. So let's see here. 20% on my Royal Caribbean. Keep a lookout for T-Doc. Ooh, Teledoc's a dirty one. Crypto running. Riot and Mara. Sorry. Riot. What's going on? Amy? Hold on. What's up with Amy? Yeah, right. Oh, Amy candle. Here we go. Another test of 20 here, people. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Come on. 1995. For the low price of 1995, you could get a 1, screw you to the market maker, 2, F off to the prime brokers, and 3, screw you to the shorts. Here we go, people. Screenshot the ankles for an NFT. Good. All right. So Amy's looking like it wants to pump a little bit here. 1990. I was at 94. Riot looking all right. Spy chilling. Let's get Viac over here. Viac still chilling. Disca. See, we need you guys to get going over here. It's trying to get that 20 again. It is trying. 40% on Lulu. There you go. Rans, there you go, buddy. You want to flex? I want to flex. What's up, everybody? Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for all your support. FOMO didn't start. Not yet. It didn't. Charge point. Charge point. I hit a nasty one on them earlier this week. Let me see what's doing. Oh man. Oh, I did 1350 weekly or the 13 weeklies. Those would have been spicy if I held them. It's fine. Quick flip in and out. Spy trying to get a little move here. Disca, I want you back to that previous day high. Where's Oxy? I don't have Oxy anymore, but I mean, I bet some of you guys still do. Yeah, so these Occidentals real good over here. Hog. Oh, is Harley Davidson going again? Yeah, crossed here, 43.26 all the way up to 44. That's a good one. Amy's at 19.82. Ho ho! We got all the members in here. What's up, members? How you guys doing? Sorry. Affirm. What do we got? Firm's popping off the 13. Amy, get your blood above 20, huh? Lucid crossing. Okay, so I already have Neo calls. Oh, these Neo calls are good. Okay, so yesterday on Neo, we were looking for 26.24 for it to rip up to. It hit 26.25 today. I just need a lot more on this to get going. I have like one of the 26 calls going into the end of the week that I'm just gonna hold for fun. So Amy is at 1985, GME 127 flat here. Am I a member? No, you guys don't have to join the membership if you don't want to. It's just to show extra support for the channel. If you do want to like help out, just like hit that like button. That's all it does. Oh, super bomb gang. What's up, members? How you guys doing? All right, looking good over here. Amy looking like it wants to get a right back to 20 very, very, very soon. Spy bouncing here a little bit. This is fun. Up 75% on an affirm call. My man, there you go. All right, I'm up 68% on the Viax, 17% on the Discas, 34% on BBIG. Hold your horses. What the hell is going on with Biggie? Looking good over here. Sends I'm up a little bit. The Neos, I'm slightly red. The Activisions, I'm a little bit red on too. Activision, what's going on with you? Yeah, it's just kind of hovering. Amy looking all right here. Come on. Marigo boom swings up 300% at a boy, Ryan. Oxy setting up a nice flag. Yeah, I typically just trade Oxy in the morning. It'll rip up, get out of here, and then I just leave. That's what I do. Amy, come on, 20. We're about to get that 20. We are looking at that 20 here. Come on, people. All right, let's see. 450% on Amy calls, up 140. All right, here we go. Come on. T-Doc. Dang, hold on. Is it crossing and ripping? T-Doc cross starting to get up here a little bit. Oh, it's right at the previous day high too. Maybe I'll take something on T-Doc just for funsies. T-Doc. I've hit some nasty plays on them before. They're just expensive. Yeah, they're a little expensive. Spy making a move back to the upside. Amy, here we go. 20.07, looking like it wants it. All right, let's see if it can hold 20. Here we go. Amy just crossed 20. Come on, Amy. You can do it. All right, Via, come on. All right, Amy's at 20.08 right here, 20.07. Come on, everybody. DraftKings, Amy boom. Yeah, I mean, Amy's booming. When Amy's booming, like, I'm still going to be looking at my other trades, but, like, come on. Amy's ripping right now. All right, GME, new day high over here, 128.60. Mark the Realtor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Disney Strong, 160 coming, then 164. There we go. Old ass 8. Thanks for becoming a member, buddy. Let's see, 2016. Where is Disney right now? Maybe. Oh, Amy, come on. Come on, Amy. We're back above 20. We are now in the danger zone. Skiggity bop. Thanks for becoming a member, man. I appreciate that. Wow. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that. All right. So, Amy, looking like it wants to make a new day high over here. It just needs a little bit more. What's the volume on it today? About 30 million. 2032 is the previous day high. We're about 15 cents off of that. My options account is up 50% today. There you go. Lulu crossed on the 3 above the 200, about to cross on the 5. It's pair printing. Oh, you mother. Don't tempt me with some Lulu, bro. Don't you dare tempt me ever with some Lulu. I might have to do this. Lulu is just, it has been so good to me over the years. Alrighty. Amy looking like it wants to go. Lulu's looking good. I'll get one maybe. It's just expensive. Oh, it's flat on the day. Ooh. All right, Spy hanging out right here. Lulu's about to cross. Let's see. We're just trying to put a young boy through college. Dude, I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to graduate. It's hard. Amy is banging. Yeah. Yeah. BBIG will break 5 today. If it does, my contracts will go nuclear. Spy cross up. Yep. Spy just crossed up here. So watch. Oh. See, Keith is usually so fire with these, and I can't. Well, how much settled cash do I have? I do have all right. I'm up 80% on the Viax, 20% on the Discos. I should have just put more money into the Discos. I mean, the Viax. Yeah, Lulu's not moving here. Slow mover on this. Spy is looking like it wants to come up a little here. Amy, 2013. I like this a whole lot. Viac, what are we looking like here? Viac, new day high. Peloton ripping. Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of Peloton right now. BBIG ripping. There we go. Everything is starting to get a little bit of a rip across the. Oh, BBIG, nice candle up here. Let's see if that can hold. Fed talking today? Nah, I don't think so. No. Might as well. I'm here all day. Skiggity Bob. I appreciate that, bud. All right, Amy 2004. It's holding that $20 price point right here. If we go up like another dollar, that's another double-digit percentage gain day. We hit 21 today. Actually, I'm fine with everybody spamming the 21s. You played Lulu before the cross, had a feeling not good strategy, but it worked for me. Where's it right now? It was right around 40 something. Yeah, 40.18. It's moving a tiny, tiny bit right here. Just checked in and smashed the like. Thank you, David. I appreciate that, bud. All right, Jimmy coming down to test this 13 right here. Britt, thank you so much for the super. Hi, appreciate your stream. Since Spy already made a huge move, do you trust the cross? Spy is still red. So I would say that Spy could get a little bit jumpy, but I would watch it at 457. So you got like another dollar to come up. Lulu, is it going? Yeah, Lulu's getting a little jumpy over here. You know what? Everybody? We're having some fun today. Screw it. I love Lulu. Not like in terms of you guys. You guys are, yeah. See, now I'm gonna regret it if I don't do it. You guys stink. You guys stink. You guys are big stinkers over here. And the spreads suck. Oh, you guys are throwing me to the fire over here. All right, I'm trying to get filled. It's probably not going to fill me on this, but I'm trying to steal some contracts from people, as I like to do. So let's see. I'm going to step this up a little bit. Amy, hold on. 2010, still up there. Spy, doing good. Lulu. Let's see if I can get this. They're not giving it to me. That's so annoying. Duckman Quacks, appreciate the super. Vino, thank you so much for the supers, guys. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to. You deserve more for what you do for the community. Keep up the good work, and thanks for everything. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Lulu. Oh, it filled me, I think. Oh, it filled me. There we go. All right, so I'm in on the Lulus. Let's see what happens with it. All right, Amy looking solid here. 2015 looking awesome. What about Viac and Disca? How are these doing? Viac doing all right here. These are a little bit of a slow movers. Disco looking like it wants to slowly stair step its way up. Amy is looking like it wants to slowly make its way up to that previous day high here. He's getting filled. I did get filled. Lucid running. Come on, print my Neos, please. My one Neo. My one Neo is up 5% now. There we go. What contract am I buying? Share it with us. I can't do that. You guys know where I go with contracts. So I just look at the strategy. It works. So let's see what happens. It's just following the strategy. Disco looking good. Spy getting up here a little bit. Come on now. Where's Lulu now? If Lulu prints. Let's see here. Igor, thanks for the super, buddy. Lucid ain't running. Well, that's BKKT going. Craig, thank you so much for the super, bud. Black Rifle Coffee, BRCC. If that breaks 1450, those $15 puts can be insane. No ticker change hype today. I think you're talking about calls. What is it? BRCC. Interesting. BRCC. This thing. Black. Oh, Amy, hold on. New day highs. 2045. 2045. Here we go. 2040. Holy shit. We are getting rippy over here, people. 2054. New day high. 2055. Here it comes. Here it comes, everybody. Oh my God. We are ripping all the way up to 21 right now. This is dirty. This is absolutely dirty. We are deep in the danger zone right now. This is fun. This is an abs. Okay. So, BRCC. What was you saying? 1450. The 15 puts. I mean, if you got, hold on. We are about to make our way up to 21 here, people. I told you, AMC is not done today. It just went up, so it's cooled off for a little bit, but this thing wants to get dirty. Here we go. So let's see if we can crack that 21, really get into the danger zone. Let's get that blackjack number. Here we go. 21, we told you. Hey, you just a couple of weeks off. All right, SPY. Ooh, SPY pop here. Hold on, Viac. Come on, Viac. Yup. Yup. Come on, Disca. Come on, go. Above 31. Nope. It's trying though. 21 Savage. Yep. All right. How'd the Lulu do on that? I'm up $2. I like this kid. He's funny. Sounds like a bookie. I am a bookie. Just kidding. I'm really not. I don't know why I said that. I'm not a bookie. All right, 2072. Tendies. Thank you so much for the super. Get your ankles on the desk. If we close above 20, you guys are getting double ankles today. All right, Disca chilling here. Wow, SPY is getting jumpy. Let's see if Viac is gonna come up with this. Yeah, Viac's getting a couple of candles here. GME new day highs 130. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. There was something on GME that I wanted to see. Okay, if this 4-hour candle closes above this 200 on GME, 1348 cross above the 200 on the 4-hour, it honestly could get a little really explodey over here. PayPal's also printing. There you go, Keith. Is Lulu coming? See, Viac is being an a-hole here. This guy's selling off. No reason here either. All right, what about Activision? Is Activision getting a little pump? That's what I would like to see. Yeah, Activision pumping. AMC 2070. 2085 is the previous day high. If SPY can break out of this range here. So remember, that person that was asking about that 1348 cross, if I trust it, you can almost use this upper range right here, this 457.68 area, as like a little, like an equivalent of the 200. Jazz Cabbage, what's up, bud? Thank you for the super 21 Cabbage. Let's go. 300% on March calls. There you go, people. There you freaking go. So ATVI is coming back up here. So watch GME if it gets this closing candle above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. Oh, this thing is dirty. 130. GME's up 5%. AMC's up 10% right here. About Activision getting spicy. Viac, you gonna get some jumpiness over here? Nah, Viac's kind of being a shithead. Same thing with Disca. Interesting. Amy looking like it wants to push those previous day highs over here. Lulus are up a decent amount though. I like this. Inflation schmeation. Yep. No lunch break today. Just DoorDash. All right. I might have to go no lunch break. We might just go the whole day here, people. This is crazy. So, oh, Amy making new day highs, 2090 right here. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's get to more people in here. Like this is crazy. I think I might be the only one streaming Amy right now. This is nuts. Happy birthday. 100% on AMC. There you go. Yeah, this might be the new highest amount of people that I've had in the stream. Thank you guys. So Amy doing really good here. Doing really good. Disco looking good. Yeah, I don't think we're doing a lunch break today. I don't think so. I don't think we can. I think we have to go the whole day at this point. Like, we're exploding. Everybody send SCV some snacks. I think I got some stuff in here. I can make waffles really quick. All right, SPY's coming up to the upper end of this range right here. Disca's coming back to life. GME's looking good. Everything is looking really solid here. Holy Jesus, Keith. The Lulus are up 31% right now. You absolute crazy man. 400% on AMC calls. You're the only streamer today that did not. I don't know what that. I couldn't read that. Up 200. Wow. Wait, his chat is flying right now. Here comes Amy to the upside. Here we go. Come on, everybody. This is looking really good over here. Come on. All right, hold on. Let me see if I need to make a move right here. All righty, people. Oh, Amy is approaching 21 right here. This is wild. Come on. All right, Amy looking like it wants to push. Web Twerp, thank you for the super, buddy. Here's $5 to DoorDash. Pick you up some lotion for those ankles. I appreciate that. All right, so Disca's doing all right over here. BioLife Hemp, thank you for the super. SV IWM is in a short squeeze. AMC about to fly. Yeah, IWM can get squeezy right here. So what's going on with IWM? Yeah, IWM is getting squeezy over here. Now, it's not like MOAS squeeze, but like there's so much short interest on IWM that you can see so much buying pressure off of this. Up 10% in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Yeah. 100% on SPY calls today. There you go. All right, hold on. Let's get SPY back up here because I want to see SPY break that level. All right. Let's see. Keith, thank you so much for the super. I'm up 80% on Lulu. Been watching it for weeks. When it moves, it blasts. Yeah, I might be up close to that too. No, I'm only up 27% on that one. But thanks for that call out, Keith. That was dirty. That was dirty. 600% on AMC calls. There you freaking go. Amy is running because Dixie is dumping. Yeah. Dollar's going to come down with that inflation news. So Disco over here doing all right. Let me see what these contracts are at on Discovery and Viacom. Let's see. 60% on Viacom, 17% on Disco. They're doing all right. BBIG up 30%. Sen's all right. Activision's still down. That sucks. All right. Amy looking solid here. 1,400% on AMC calls. There you go. GME wants 130. It did. It hit 130.70. That's nasty. So here's most likely what we could be seeing right now. We just had that really, really strong run up here from, where was this? 1957 all the way up to almost 21. Now the SPY's kind of cooling off. AMC's probably cooling off a little bit too, waiting for that next leg up. So we easily could see the buyers come back in. Again, this is exactly kind of what we've been looking for. We've been looking for that slow, like, it's just kind of just gives the market gives it a little bit of runway and then it just starts to go, people. So let's see what happens today. These discos are coming back to life over here. Honestly, Discovery and Viacom are like inversing the market. When the market sells off a little bit, they just like to pump. So let's see what happens with those. AMC 2062 right now. Jesus. What zone do you think shorts will cover on AMC? Well, there's a couple of different danger zones, and I think a lot of the short interest on it right now has to do with like the technicals on AMC. And with what you see now on the 4-hour chart, Amy's got a little bit of a ways to go here, but it's close. If we get a closing candle above the 200 EMA on AMC and GME, I will start buying calls. Just because look what happened the last time. The 1348 crossed below here, and then the price came down below the 200. It never came back up. And this was November. So this was November 23rd right here. It broke down below and never got above the 200 EMA until now. If it does this and we get this 1348 across above the 200 EMA, we honestly could be starting the next leg up. It's possible. I can't say for sure, but it's very, very possible. Again, now we're going to do a little bit of like cool stuff. Viacom, don't be an a-hole. So remember, if those shorts are shorting based on technicals on AMC right now, it's entirely possible that when the technicals change, they're like, yeah, cool, we're done. Then they cover their short. But then if they're technical traders, they just buy back in long to play it on the downside and then ride it right back up. So that could be what we're starting to see with this buying pressure coming back in today. These short-term technical shorts, because the fundamental short thesis on it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, you would start to see them start to establish these long positions when the technicals are starting to turn to the long's favor. So hopefully that makes sense to everybody. So there's that double buy. There's the technical shorts covering and then buying back in. And then there's the options double buy, puts running out of the money. So the previously hedged for puts by shorting are going to get bought back. So then you see that buying pressure just based on the option chain. And then you see it on the call side as well, where the calls start to run in the money. And then you see the market makers start to buy those shares back. Because think about this right here. Remember, max pain's kind of like a range. If you're within like a range of max pain, you can sell enough of the other type of contracts of puts and calls to balance off that delta. Oh, Amy's coming back up here. So when you can do that, you don't really have to buy shares to hedge. Your system only cares that you are delta neutral. It doesn't matter. It doesn't care how. So when you get to that level, it's like, okay, well, now we're outside of the range. So they unhedge the puts, hedge the calls, and we could be seeing a little bit more buying volume, but it's not that crazy in terms of like the options that are on the chain right now. SPY's coming back up here. Let's see what happens with Viacom and Disco. What else do we have? Lulu. Damn, man. Damn, Lulu. 18% on those, 50% on Viac, only 7% on Disco. That's surprising. BBIG 30%, Sens 16%. Sens might be going on a little run here. Amy coming back down, still above 20 though. Very, very solid. Do I have a Webull deal? There's no such thing as a Webull deal. You can have an affiliate link, but I don't have one of those. Let's see. Hedgy tier is my favorite. Yeah, so the problem was I went to go get a new gallon the other day and it didn't have one. So I have this freaking thing. So Lulu coming back down a little bit here. Amy 2055. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. Where's Oxy? Did those Oxys print for anybody? Oh, got a candle just now. but it was coming up, making new day highs after that. So, I mean, I'm out of them, but I kind of want to make sure that you guys are not going to screw around with it, and just do something stupid. Where's Viac? Eh. Ooh, Diska coming back to life over here. I like to see that. So Diska could be the winner today if Spy starts to come back up, which it looks like it's going to. Diska had a dirty day yesterday. Let's see if it does it again today. Had to refresh to see 4,400 in the chat. Yeah, thank you guys. This is probably my craziest day of streaming. Thank you guys very much. I sold my PayPal calls for 61% profit just now. Keith, Jesus, dude. You sold Oxy for 64% profit. Trey's mustache. Isn't that the second Oxy trade you've hit this week? That's two of them, right? Like, good for you, bud. Yeah, also, as everybody's filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It just helps out a whole lot with the algos. Let's see what we got going on over here. All righty. Let's see. Let's see. All right, Amy coming back to life over here. Diska, come on. Spy coming up. Jimmy down. Spy making a move here. Diska looks like it wants to break up here. Viac, what's that looking like? Diska and Viac typically move together. Not too crazy here. Hit that like, says Kendall. Thank you. Why is IWM so up today? Just because of like, there's so much short interest in it, and then when you see the momentum start to turn back into like bullish momentum on IWM, the shorts will cover. AMD crossing, okay. Turn 200 into 3,000 with AMC calls. There you go, buddy. All right, Viac coming down here for no reason. Where's Diska? Does Diska care? No, Diska holding. I like this. Oh, somebody said AMD was crossing. Which way? Crossing. It's trying to cross up. Spy selling off here a little bit, dragging everything down with it. A little bit of a cool off. So it didn't like this level over here. Spy's getting a decent sized candle. If we close over 20, big trouble for market makers. Yeah, it's not going to be ideal for them. Not going to be ideal. So what do we got going on over here? All righty, people. You sold my 16 AMC calls for 70% profit 2 days ago. That stinks. AMD coming down, Spy coming down here. Hold your horses, Viac. And Viac getting a candle off the 13. Diska. Ow. Wow. Discovery doesn't care. This is great. Look at this. Discovery's coming back to life with Viacom selling off. Look, this is kind of why I like Discovery and Viacom, because the market can do its thing and they just don't care. New day high on Discovery right here. ADA, thank you so much for the super. I really, really appreciate that. DD, what's the next resistance? Let me look. I'll look at like a supply and demand zone just to see where it would be right here. Like right where it is. This would be the new zone. So here to here. Yeah. So the zone would be right around here. So we're right at resistance right there for DD. Disco, what are you doing? Discovery, moon mission. Viacom. Ooh, coming back up. AMC 2014. We got Spy trying to bounce off here. Disco on the way to a breakout at 3150. Yeah, I think so too. Up 355% on AMC calls. There you go. You grabbed a Spy 449 put, sold it open. Then grabbed a 460 call. Dude, good job. Good freaking job. Disco, how are we doing? Disco really doing good over here. I like this. Lulu, Keith, don't fail me now. Keith. Yeah, big red candles on the Spy. Kind of across the board over here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. The Discos are printing though. Yeah, the Discoveries are up 26%. The Viacs are up 48%. The Lulus are down 6. BBIG up 15. Sens up 16. Activision pretty much dead. The Neos are Neos have some life in them. Yeah, Spy just doing crazy things over here. Let's get Disco back over here because I think Disco could be a real winner today. Be a winner, Discovery. Woo. All right. Spy testing the 13 right here. It's just kind of bouncing off of it. Not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. What is Viacom symbolize? These three though. Viac. VIAC. So Viacom testing this 13 right here. If it bounces off of it, which I think it's going to, we're going to see some more boom boom candles on Viacom, but Spy's kind of flickering around over here. Let's see where Disco's at. Is it still above 31? Yeah, 3106 looking good. Amy's at 2017 right now. holding pretty strong on this little sell-off. So we saw this before, a little bit of a sell-off. It could come down and test this 13 EMA before it starts to go back up. Right here, you see the 13 cross above the 48, above the 200, looking like it wants to come up. Pretty solid over here. SPY coming down to that 200. Disca, we'll see. We will see. All righty, people. Today is verification, not to panic sell. We hold, we win. I mean, I tried to say it, but come on. There's no way the price still. I mean, it's still like it's decently high. It could be. It's in my opinion still below what the fundamental value is, especially with all the new things that AMC has coming out. The market has not been accurately reflecting the new news that's been coming out on AMC. SPY coming down, GME touching this level here. Discovery's getting a candle now to the downside, a decent size one too. Where's Viacom? Viacom selling off. Let's see. I already. Let's see. Keith, you killing me on the Lulus, bro. Viacom up 25%. The Discas are up 20%. All right, SPY hitting this level over here. Let's see what happens. That's on Disco long term. I mean, I traded a lot. Keith, you're killing me on the Lulus, bro. I'm just kidding. I don't care. It's fine. I'll be all right. I was told selling covered calls is good for positive price action. It's literally the opposite. Selling covered calls is playing with fire, and you should not be doing. I'm not going to say that. You can do whatever you want. But if the price runs up like we're seeing here and you sell covered calls, you don't have any more shares. But let's see here. Amy coming down to test this 13 right here. SPY selling off to the 48. Disca coming down. Viac coming down a little bit as well. Yeah, everything's selling off a little bit here. Let's see. Where's Oxy? Did Oxy get a giant red candle? Sort of. Let's see. I think SPY is going to try and bounce back up here soon. Did we see the ankles? Nah, you got to close above 20. Where are we at right now? 1996. Sava is booming. Yeah. Oh my God. This thing is going nuclear right now. Jeez. All right. SPY pulling back up. Sava's really ripping right now. Oh, baby. Oh, shit. There's no 1348 on it, but that thing is getting nutty. Head and shoulders. Hope it breaks to the upside. Yeah, don't sell for close high. Lost 200 of my 700 AMC shares on my Roth. Yeah. Amy coming back up. SPY trying here. Disco, where are we at? Yeah, looking good on Disco still. Viac, how are we looking over here? Yeah, back up. I like this. 10-year bond at 2. Holy shit. Wow. The 10 years at 2. TLT must be tanking. TLT is down 1% today. So this is getting interesting over here in the bond market. So let's see if that money comes back into the equity market. It looks like it is right now. Discovery, flickering. ATVI, probably getting hammered. Not terrible. SPY just kind of flickering right around this 200 EMA again and the 48 EMA. Amy's at 2021. Biggie News partner with. Did it get new news? I thought that was already priced in. Let's see. AMC breaks 2237. It's going to 29. Maybe not that far, but like if it keeps breaking these big levels and goes further into the danger zone, it's going to be nasty. Like what's the Ortex on it right now? 2.38 million shares borrowed, 21.72% estimated short interest. That's huge. That's huge. All right. SPY on the downside here. Disca and Viac. What do I got to do with this? Viac, hold on. What's Viac doing? And it's holding. It's holding right now. These Lulus are probably getting busted. Actually, no. Interesting. So the Viacs are doing good. The Discas are doing good. The BBIGs are still good. ATVI hammered. Neo, it's got some life in it. Sens is looking all right, actually. All right, let's see what happens here. Cost of borrow needs to go up on Amy. You're right. You are 100% right. You are guaranteed 100% right. Cassava Ortex. That's news. It's not a squeeze. It could be heavily shorted, though. It's possible. Whoa. 37 point. Okay. Maybe it is a squeeze. 37.47% estimated short interest. 47% average cost to borrow. 100% utilization. Dang. All right. SPY flickering around over here. Went on a nice little run, but now it's starting to sell off. So let's see what happens with the market. All right. Any chance you think we get CTRM? They moved big this time last year. I can look at it. Shippers. Dry bulk shippers, not, ooh, up 9% today. Not bad. Little 1348 cross right here and coming to the upside. So SPY did get this cross up, but just came right down off. Or no, got this cross here, came up, and then sold right back off. Who knows? Amy's at 2032, looking like it wants to get a little bit more spicy. Disca, how are we looking? It's still fine. Moass alert. There we go. Sold my Lulus for a nasty profit. Sorry, STV. You know what, Keith? Fuck you. I'm kidding. All right, I'm probably gonna sell these. Thoughts on Hut 8 up over 180% on my $10 calls. I will take a look at that really quick. Let me just look at what Lulu's saying over here. I'll keep these around for a little bit on a potential SPY rally. Hut. You're up 180%. I mean, 1348 cross bouncing off the 13 right here. Looks decent. 4 hour. Yeah, this looks really good on the 4 hour too. So this thing actually looks like it could keep going. Watch this level right here. Where is this? 888. That could be a good one. SPY still flickering over here. Discovery holding really nicely. I like that. I like that a lot. So let's see over here. Sens has been killing it. You should. I think Lulu will still print. Just wanted to protect my profit. Yeah, it's fine. I'll keep it. Yeah, how is Sens doing? I have next week calls. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Sens is actually going on a little bit of a moon mission today. I like this. What's it up? 4%. That's solid on Sens. BBIG, how we doing over here? Amy's just kind of chilling, bounced nicely off the 13, just like we said it would. Now it's at 2027. So BBIG on its way back down here. Here comes the SPY. Here comes the SPY. Screwing everyone's calls. We love you, STV. I appreciate that. Thank you. Disca bull flag. Yeah. Yeah, Disca coming back up. Viac, what's going on with it? Nope, that's the wrong one. Viac's still good. I mean, it's right around the 13. I just kind of want to leave it for a little bit. We'll see what happens with it though. If it bounces off this, which I think it can, it's going to be nasty. Diac, I don't know what that is. Disca, it's back above 30. Yeah, Disca looks like it wants to go. So we'll see what happens with that one. Apple coming down. Everything's probably coming down with this SPY move. Here comes Disca approaching that previous day high. SPY further sell-off. Yeah, watch it at the 25 MA over here. So Amy 2024. SPY could just be taking a little bit of a breather right now because it went on. Disca. There you go. Qualcomm crossing down. A lot of things are crossing down. Incredible morning. 4 for 4, 1348 in top. BBIG, Disca, T, Lucid. Unheard of for me. Jackstad. I love that, buddy. Good for you. All right, everybody. Here, this is looking solid today. So Disca's looking really good. AMC still looking solid. SPY just being a little a-hole. GME starting to come back up. I like this. Facebook looking across down. Yeah, maybe I'll get some puts. The Discas are only up 26%, which is really annoying. Not gonna lie. BBGs are doing good. ATVI is sucking. Neo suck. Actually, I'm gonna take these. I'll leave the Neo. Sens is looking good. Alrighty. Where's a firm? No cross yet. SPY moving back up. Amy, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, people. Getting a little bit of another push here. Bounce off the 13. Here she goes. Alrighty, people. So, yeah, as everybody's filtering in too, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You guys have been crushing it today so far. Thank you guys so much. AMC blasting. It's trying, man. 2054 right now. SPY's trying to go a little green. Affirm, trying. Viac, what are we looking like over here? Viac doesn't like it. Disca might really like this. Yeah, Disca's looking all right here. GME coming back up. Disca is also running on positive news and potentially closing a deal with Warner Media. Yeah, I might tell my dad later about the Gasparino stuff. Gasparino's a complete shithead. SPY coming back up here. AMC going to 21. I think it has a very high potential to hit 21 today. But don't buy calls because of that. I just think it with the price action that we've seen, I think it can go there. We would need another 42 cents on it. SPY's trying to come back up a little here. Disco looking all right. Viac, if this thing sells off anymore, I don't know. DraftKings higher highs, higher lows. Where did it cross? Yeah, GME looking good. 130.70 previous day high. Amy pushing here. Come on, people. Amy is pushing. Looks like TAF respawn starting to hit. Maybe. Been making stupid money flipping quick AMC calls. Yeah, if it bounces, I might SPY back up here. I like that. DraftKings coming back up. Lulu, what are we looking at over here? Did that go back green? Nah, but it might get a little pop here. Disca. I think Disca can just go real boom soon. So we'll hold that one. They're still green. Viacom still looking good. Up 175% on my prog calls. There you go. 4,000 in here. Yeah, man. This is a crazy day. Alrighty. Yeah, here comes Viac again. SPY bounce. I like that. SPY bouncing off the 48. I mean, that's a good sign here. Come on, people. Let's see Amy. Come on. Let's go. All right. Max Payne 1750. Yes, sir. Cost to borrow go up? Yep. Not really. Like maybe a tiny fraction, but not a whole lot. Not enough to make a big significant difference. But let's see what we got here. No, I mean, the maximum is higher than we've seen, 2.4%. So that is good that it could be stepping up. Viac, what are you doing, bro? Go. Disca holding here. What is Max Payne? It's the price where the most amount of calls and puts expire out of the money, hurting retail investors the most. Why aim for Max Payne? It's all charge point. So if charge point's running, yep, charge point's doing good. What about EVgo, Blink? Yeah, cross back here. What is this? EVgo? What about Blink? Blink kind of a lagger sometimes. Nah, Blink doing good. All right, Amy is at right around 2050 right now. I like that number. I like saying that we're back in the 20s. Disco just wants it here. When do Batman tickets go on sale? The 10th. College can't teach you how to make 4,000 people watch and listen to you. That is true. You promised me an ankle when we hit 20. Yeah. If we close 20 today, it's over there. Am I watching the wrong stock? Mine says Jimmy. That's funny. Oh, here comes Amy again. Come on. SPY trying. 2064 up 9% right now. Jimmy's getting a candle here. Buyer's going to come in on Viac yet? Nah, Viac just not doing it here. So I might ditch the Viacs and just keep the Discas. So because the Viacs are up. So I might ditch the Viacs. Yeah, I'll ditch the Viacs right here. Or I'll try to and see if anybody's going to take this. Yeah, so I ditched the Viacs, 33% gain. I'll take that. I have more money in the Discas, so it's kind of nice that this is holding nicely here. So I think Disca is going to be the winner, just like we saw. Oh, Amy, 2072. Here we go. 2096 is the previous day high. We're starting to see things start to pop back up here. I love to see this. Lulu's coming back to life. BBIG looking good. The ATVIs suck. The Neos are all right, though. Here from Matt Stream. Thank you. I appreciate that. Alrighty, people. Duck gang. What's up, people? Welcome to all the ducks. Looking like we're about to hit 21 over here. I do want to see it. I do want to see some 21. You might as well do the ankles now. I'm not going to do it preemptively. I don't want to jinx anything. Come on now. What are we doing? BRCC, I'm up 200% on my puts. Yeah, Craig, I didn't know what you were talking about. It didn't make any sense. Yeah, it came down. It hasn't crossed yet. If it hits, I was confused. You were talking about like the 15 puts. I was very, very confused on what you were saying. GME testing 130 again. Yep, 129.65. Amy, 2070 right here. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. So yeah, thank you guys to those of you who do decide to send those in. You guys don't have to if you don't want to. But thank you guys so much to those of you who do. Of course, I have meetings all damn day today. LFG. There we go, buddy. Push that like button, says Bommel. Thank you, bud. 2067 on Amy right here. SPY's popping back up. Disca. I think Disca is gonna make that new day high soon. It's just flagging all over the place. How many contracts in the money for AMC right now? Let's see. Not a crazy amount. Oh, 90,000. That's not bad. 90,000 at above 2050. That's good. Let's see. Don't be such a tease. What did I do? Duck gang. What's up, everybody? Yeah, for all the ducks filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot. Disca now down. What the hell? What the hell, Disca? Activision, all right. How are these Neos? It's all right. Oh, Amy. Come on. Come on, Amy. Come on. Lulu coming back. I know. I saw that. I saw that, Keith. I saw that. Lulu. Yeah, Lulu getting a candle over here. Alrighty. I've been slammed working at the hospital, and you have helped me make a lot of money this week. John, I appreciate that, bud. There you go. I'm happy I helped. Watch the Chipmakers. Yeah, AMD. What's going on here? I wanted some AMD earlier. Just for next week Micron was killing it today. Yeah, Micron sold off a little bit, but this thing could get a little nutty. SPY hanging out here. GME. Yeah, dude. If anybody's holding the Microns from yesterday, you crushed it. Like, Duck Gang. What's up, everybody? Welcome to all the ducks posted up in here. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Sword interest for Ford. I can look. It's probably not that high. 1.35% on Ford. Amy 2057, just kind of hanging around here. Diska, what are you doing? Viac. Viac salad. Yeah, when a run like this is going on. Yeah, I mean, I would typically go off at 12, but I'll stay on today because we're ripping. George W. then rip. Yeah. Discovery. What are you doing? DraftKings. It was pumping. Yeah, DraftKings looking good here. Amy, 2060. Here we go. Lulu back into the green. There we go. There we go. How are these Lulus? How are the Lulus down? Only up 25% on the Discas. BBIGs are up 18. Sends are up decent here. Let's see. Dude, Preston, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Big wins. Up $21,000 watching you this week. Preston, hopefully you can beat it next week. That's fucking crazy. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. Damn. Damn, dude. SV blowing up, best market stream. I appreciate that, guys. Like, yeah, we have people like Preston here making $21,000 in a week, and I'm just sitting here calling out crossovers. Like, this is it. Lift about to blast off. Yeah, I think Disca's cooling off before another run. We need that 5-minute MACD cross. Preston, I'm really happy for you, buddy. Good for you on those. That is really, really solid. Check lift. I already technically have lift calls, but lift could go. Yeah, lift looking spicy here. The premium might have died on it just because like they had earnings. So let me see. Hold on. What are these at? 23% on Disco. That kind of sucks. Lift. Amy selling off a little bit here, still at 2045. SPY just kind of hanging around in this range for like the last 20-30 minutes. So let's see what happens over here. Lift kind of hanging out. So let's see what these premiums are looking like. Honestly, they're not bad. These lift premiums are not bad. I'll take a couple just for funsies. Just for shits and giggles. All right, I got it. So let's see what happens with that. I'll leave that off the screen for a while. SPY coming down. That's not what we want to see. Disca, what are we doing over here? Testing the 13. I'll leave these Discas for XOM. Oil doing something. Now, Exxon selling off here. Honestly, cross down on Exxon might not be the worst thing in the world to play. Dude, oil is ripping today. Where is Oxy? Oil is up big. I miss Chan Chan. Me too. I miss Chan Chan. Everybody misses Chan Chan. All right. Oh, lift is ripping now? Oh, cool. Yeah, lift bump. All right. So, all right, let's see what happens with it. Where's Discovery? Disca, don't be an a-hole to me. All right, let's see here. Brambles, thank you so much for the super. No recent cross, but Sava having an interesting day. Yeah, hold on. SPY selling off to this 25. Disco 5-minute MACD cross down. I think there's so much time left that I think it could go. Yeah, Sava got some news and it's just pumping. But up and down. So this is a little bit of a shark fin over here. SPY looks weak right now. Yeah. XOM is liquid gold on the downside. Yeah, SPY does look a little weak right now. So maybe I'll take these Discas off the table. I don't know. Disca just has a mind of its own sometimes. Let's see. Geez, you guys are absolutely killing it with the likes today. I really appreciate that. I really thought ATVI was going to do it for us. It still can. ATVI just gets random candles sometimes. So watch it. It can just start to get going. I went small on it. So let's see what happens with it. Neo, flat at 26. AMC, 2033. SPY bouncing back up here. Where's lift? Oh, shit. Nice lift trade. Oh, nice. Nice call out there on the lifts. Those are up 8%. I like that. Sava spreads are crazy. Yeah, just sold my Discas now too. Yeah, I might do that too, Keith. See, it's just bouncing at the 13. I don't know. We'll see. They're still green, but they're still up. Wait, what? They're still up 18% right here. Oh, the lifts are crushing it. The lifts are really crushing it right here. Yeah, whole lift. Look at this. This could be a nice little 100% trade on lift right here. I mean, they're up 40% right now. Lift is getting spicy. This is a good one. Little 1348 cross, breakout, bing bong. All right, Amy, 2024 right here. I like it. Viac selling off. Uber halted. Hold on. What the hell happened? Pending news. This has to be pending news. Wait. Hold on. Lyft is running up here. Uber just got halted for no reason. Hold on. Yeah, Disco. I'm going to ditch these Discos. Hold on. What is going on with this? Uber halted. What the hell is going on? Thank you, Nepal. Same here. Just got out of the Disca. Yeah, 16%. I'll take it. All right, I'll step this down a little. These should hit right here. Disca. What the hell is going on with Lyft and Uber? All right, I'll take those there. All right. I mean, it's still a green trade. It just wasn't. Hold on. Does anybody know what's going on? Because Lyft is going on a moon mission here too. So if Uber no, it is halted. It's halted, but I don't know what's going on. That's got to be halt pending news. I don't see any news about it though. That's interesting. Amy coming down to Tesla 13 again. Uber halted, news pending. This hurts. So we either are going to make a no way. Uber and Lyft merger chatter? No way. No way. If that happens, okay, I'll hold these lists just in case. If that's real, merger rumors, yeah, these lists are going wild. I'm up 53% on the lifts. I'm going to hold these. I also have dead lift contracts that if those hit, this could be nasty. All right, so AMC 2028 right here. If that's actually what it is, that's insane. Here comes Lyft. Lyft. See, if it had to do with Lyft, though, Lyft would halt too. So that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It says this. Yeah, suspended, halted, same thing. The max cost to borrow just doubled on AMC. Hold on. Hold your horses. This is getting interesting here. All right. No, it's 2.4% still. All right, here comes Lyft. Ooh, dude, Lyft is printing right here. Suspended on halt. It's same difference. It's halt pending news. It's the same difference. Amy popping up off the 13. Lyft is printing here. Small YOLO into Lyft. Let's see. I mean, I kind of want to make it free because I do have those other contracts. If this goes up 100%, I'll take it. But this is weird. So if this starts trending up still, Amy's coming back up 2037. All right, let's see what we get here. The premium might just start spiking on this just on the news that it could be doing weird stuff. Uber chapter 11. I doubt that, buddy. Earnings revenue. Yeah, they already put it out though. So these are up 92%. Price is coming down. So these are getting bid up. What did I get these at? So I need to sell these at one of them at 126. I'll sell one of these at double. Let's see if it hits. I'll just put that sell order out there. If it hits, it hits. So AMC popping up here a little bit. Lyft just got $55 calls for next week. Option chain is crazy. Yeah, it is. I have 5250s for next week on my strangle. They're dead still, but if those hit, they'll hit. So I don't know. I've got a sell order out there on Lyft just in case it gets a nice another candle and I can steal some of these contracts. But 2031 on Amy, I mean, this pending news thing is interesting. Should be a good tanking on good news. Yeah, it could. That's why I kind of want to ditch this contract here and just to be safe. But let's see. Let's see here. Amy looking all right. Yeah, Lyft looking spicy. All right. Utilization still 100 for AMC? Yes. So Amy's trying to pop off this 13 EMA over here. What do we have? Yeah, here comes Lyft. 95%. Yeah, the premium's inflating on this. Uber Prog merger? I doubt that. Yeah, they're screwing with the premium on the Uber chain right now, or the Lyft chain. So everybody that was going over and saw that Uber got halted is now buying into Lyft. Yeah, 95% on these contracts. If that sell order hits, I'll be happy, and then I have a free contract to play whatever the hell this news is going to be. So nothing yet. Let's see. AMC 2024 right here. GME popping back up. SPY selling off here a little bit. What ended up happening with Disca? Yeah, nothing too crazy there. Oxy. ATVI. Let's see. Lyft. Here it comes. Here it comes. Somebody's probably going to take that if it gets a little bit higher. What did you buy? That's up 95%. You got 45 for tomorrow. I got the 45 for tomorrow too. It's up not 89%. I got filled at 63. Here it comes. Yeah, they're going to hit this soon. Uber, some coding was leaked. Uber, it's the same difference. All right, that should have hit. Okay, so I sold it. I made it free. So now I have a free Lyft contract to play whatever the hell this is going to be right here. Prog over 2. There you go. Well, what's Sens doing? Sens is still looking strong. SPY's just kind of flickering around today. Ortex tweeted a video explaining AMC, GME, Ortex data. They're serious about it. Oh, I'll take a look at that a little bit later. What do we want? Well, I want Lyft back up here to see what the hell is going to go on. This is crazy. So Amy popping up here a little bit too. 2031. Disco merge with Lyft? No. Uber will merge with AMC. No. All righty, everybody. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Disco merge. That you guys are funny. Yeah, Lyft is doing good here. Let's see what those other dead contracts are at. Oh, they're coming back to life. They shouldn't be, but they are. That's funny. So what else do I have? Lulu down a little bit here. BBIGs are up all right. ATVIs are dead. Senses are actually up decent over here. All right. AMC buys Google. No. Lulu. Is it going? It's trying here, Keith. Lulu's trying. All right, so Amy just hanging right around the 13 EMA right here. SPY's about to cross down here, so that could suck on everything. When are Affirm's earnings after merge with the merger? Let's see. AMC following the SPY. Yeah, it typically does. Where's Lyft? Yeah, Lyft is coming up here. Uber halted as Kenny ordered 1,000 taxis. Let's see. Amy, come on, 2016. So I'm waiting on this Uber news. It's still halted. Lyft is coming up. Here it comes. Watch that previous day high. I mean, that literally what I got this on was a 1348 crossover. I didn't even know the news was coming out like this. All right, so Amy up 6.25% right now, hanging right around the 13 EMA, coming down a little with the SPY here. That's not necessarily what you want to see, but SPY is about to cross down here. I might take some SPY puts and get out of these Lulus. 105% on these freaking. What is Lulu doing right now though? It's a 1348. Look, yeah, Lulu testing the 13. SPY flickering here, about to cross to the downside. AMC 49 million in volume. Yeah, you need 2 ply paper hands. Yeah, I know. What's the Ortex on Lyft? All right, it's not gonna matter. Yeah, here comes Lyft back up. SPY hanging out here. 20.18 is 100% extension on AMC. 2116 is the top of the regression channel shot from 11.8. Interesting. Uber is merging with Bang. Okay. All right. Uber or Lyft is now Lyft new day highs over here. That's a dirty one. VIX is up over 5% and 10-year bond is over 2. That's bad. It's not good. Just made 500 on a Lyft YOLO at the 45.50. There you go. Yeah. I mean, technically I'm up 126%. Well, maybe a little less because I left the profit there. SPY, yeah, Lyft is getting really volatile here. So Amy is at 20 flat right here. It is starting to bend back down. We need a MACD cross on the SPY. AMC merger with Uber. No. Nike merger with it. Why are we calling out random mergers here, people? Let's see. You thought Uber was more popular than Lyft? It is, but I've heard there's buyout, like merger chatter, which is weird. Uber, is it still halted pending news? Yeah, still pending news. Let's check the news. Nothing over here. It's just halt pending news. So let's see what happens with it. This stuff could go explosive or it could do nothing. Come on, BBIG, is it going? I do want some biggie move. I want some more excitement. The morning was so exciting. Now we're just kind of hanging out. 2015 on Amy. SPY coming back up here. Duck Gang, what's up? Uber buying Evergrande. That's funny. Bought Lyft 4550 call. What do I have on it? I think I have the 45. I have the 45. So I'm up 118%. Sold one, made it free. So let's see what happens. Alrighty. Uber negative, buying negative beta. Funny. You guys are funny today. Amy 2016, SPY trying to get a little bit of a pop here. That's really all we got. Bitcoin merger with AMC. Funny. Oxy. I'll take a look at it. I don't have it anymore. It made a little bit of money on it. Let's see. It's popping back up a little bit off that 25 MA. So you could have held it until it touches this and bounces back up. Let's see what happens. But oil is ripping today. WTI crude is at 91.22. It's up 1.74%. Uber bought 20,000 flying cars. Interesting. So Oxy doing all right here. SPY's trying to make a move back up. Amy 2016. GME 128.86. Lyft, what are we looking like over here? Wants to go, man. Uber halt down, not good. It doesn't really matter. BioLife, thank you so much for the super. Uber teams up with all major pizza chains to guarantee 30-minute or less delivery. Maybe. It didn't really halt down. It wasn't moving. Like, look, it wasn't moving and it just halted. There was no halt down. It was just halt pending news. So Lyft is coming back up here, approaching that previous day high. AMC's at 2010. SPY flickering around a little bit over here. I'm waiting for these. Look at this. Lyft is printing. Dark Bull merger with Red Bull. Yeah, merger with Ducks. Uber-based AMC's. All right, you guys are being funny today. Amy, 2014. How long is the halt? Until the new. All right, Lyft is pumping right here. I don't see anything on the news feed, so nothing crazy yet. These are up 144%. That's not bad. Why did they halt Uber? News pending. So Amy is just chilling right around the 13 EMA right here. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. I like this. 2013. Where's Disca? Not moving. Viac. Yesterday was the play on Disca and Viac. DraftKings. What about Affirm and PayPal? Banks. What are banks doing right now? Affirm looking all right. Bank of America. How's this doing? It's chilling. Amy, 2016. SPY trying to make a move here. Lyft. What's going on with this? Hey, you guys called out that cross perfectly. Uber merging with Uber. Bitcoin jumping. Riot and Mara. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Riot. Oh, holy Riot. Did you play Lyft for next week or this week? How did you get them so cheap? I'm only up 16%. I was quick. Yeah, so I got the Lyft 45 for this week at 63 cents. There was a wide spread. So I just screwed somebody over on the spread. Thanks, Vix, for streaming. Anytime. The utilization's still at 100%. We haven't really seen the reflection in the cost to borrow yet, though. Little bit. Not anything crazy, though. Lyft. It's just flickering here. Nice little 1348. I mean, let's see what happens with this news. They're already free. Like, I've already taken Uber merger. I don't know, man. This is a weird one. 100% utilization. Still up 300% on Lyft calls. There you go, buddy. AMC 2009 right now, coming down a little bit. SPY's just kind of hanging out right here. 5-minute MACD cross down on Amy. Up 70% on Lyft. There you go. Prague about to break. You guys have been talking a lot about Prague today. A lot about Prague. Yeah, Prague's coming up. Where's Sens? Prague and Sens have been having some good time. Yeah, Sens is doing good. BBIG, is that coming down again? It's up 0.5%, coming down to test the 48 here. Amy, 2003, 04, 02, just kind of flickering. SPY moving back down. News out? Okay, thank you. All right, Uber, where's it moving? No, still suspended. Where's Lyft? What's the news? What's the anybody got the news? All right, so Lyft sold off a little bit here. Where's Uber? All right, so it's still halted. I don't have the news. Let me see what it's like on the feed. I don't have it yet. Lyft falling. Yep. Yeah, Lyft coming down. I'm not touching it yet. They're still up 71%. Uber buys cobble cord. Oh, you got the news on Bloomberg? What is it? I don't well, we should see the news on some news feed coming out. I don't see it yet. Yeah, I don't have Bloomberg. Come on, Spy. Spy's trying here. Yeah, Lyft selling off here. I'll probably take this one right now. And if it comes back up, I'll just take it again. All right, sell this. Bing bong. Goodbye. Whoa, the bid just dropped out of that thing. Holy. Let me see if I can steal this. Trying to steal it again. Nope, not. Oh my God. That was a big tank. All right, taking that right there. Filled it. All right. So I took some money back off of that. Uber's still not unhalted. So I'm out of the lift. Still halted. Spy just kind of flickering over here. Yeah, I don't know. Amy, 2011 right now. It's just chilling over here. Yeah. I mean, I made it free when it went up. It's fine. CFVI is running. Yeah. Oh, CFVI is really running. This is, oh, hold on. And do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Let's see. CFVI. Looks good. I don't know what's going on with it, but it looks spicy. I don't know if it's getting any news. 5-minute MACD cross. That could be good. Amy's at 2008. Looking all right. Lyft and Uber earnings. They already reported. That's the thing. They've already reported. I don't see the news coming out anywhere. Amy chilling above 20 again. Spy crossed down soon. Yeah, CFVI is pumping right here. Lyft dropping like a rock. Yeah, I'm out of that thing. Let's see. CFVI is coming up here a little. I don't want to touch it. I think that it could go, but I also think that these little social media companies are just going to go up and then tank. Amy just fell down below some of these levels. Hold on. What else do I have? Lulu. All right, I'm taking the Lulu back. See if I can get it for this. Got it. Thank you. All right, took the Lulu back. Spy's coming down here. Amy is at 1995. Let's see what we got. Uber reopened at 28. Oh, is that like a tank on Uber? Oh, no. Uber did not reopen. I don't see any. Don't say stuff that's just not real, Jorge. That's stupid. Nothing out. My bad. All right. Yeah. I mean, Lyft just went up and down. I just wanted to take that money out of it. Lyft just tanked on that. So, I mean, that was a decent new, like little run there on 1348. Max Payne 1750. Let's see. Amy 1995 right here. Hold your horses, everybody. All righty. So, let's see. Guys, stop saying random Uber news now because the news might come out soon and we can't have people just like saying random stuff. Let's see. What's the deal with ADGI? I don't know. Don't know. Ooh, tanking. Spy's kind of hanging flat here. So let's see what happens. Morgan Stanley just posted a 13 GA for Uber. They wouldn't halt on that. That would not cause them to halt. These BBIGs are down a little bit. The Sens are doing good. Investor day today for Uber. There's a webcast. Interesting. All right, Amy coming down here, testing that 25. Spy moving down. Uber got a part of the seem to drive us to the moon. No, stop it. This thing's coming down. Well, Netflix. What's Netflix doing? Netflix, no cross. Facebook, I think you guys were saying was crossing down. Yeah, Facebook crossing down, looking like it wants to come down below this 200 here. Let's see. QQQ with a cross down. Uber's just halted pending news. AMC is at 1975 right here. Let's see. CEO for Uber is chatting right now. Where though? They must be releasing something. 19 set. We're up 4% on it. All right, SPY's coming down with a cross. Let's see if I want to take anything on SPY. All right, we'll do. How much settled cash do I have? A decent amount. All right, let's see what we can get over here. All right, let's see. SPY looks like it wants to get a little selly over here. 1348 cross on the downside. Uber still halted. We don't really need this up here anymore. Facebook was one that could start selling hard here. SPY. Yeah, Amy's bouncing off this 25 MA right here. So up 4.5% right here. I don't know about the SPY on this one. I don't know. Getting my Batman tickets now, says Yucca. There you go. All right, I'm going to take a couple of these SPY contracts just for fun. See what happens with it. Looks like it wants to come down. So 1348 cross on the downside, MACD crossing below. SPY's looking weak on the inflation news. Let's see if it makes a low over here. So probably going to flip these SPY contracts quick. They expire tomorrow. Facebook coming down, Amy coming down. Everything's starting to move down right now. So let's see what happens. Amy falling hard. Yeah, I mean, it's coming down below that 25 MA. Let's see what happens with the SPY if it gets a couple of these candles. If it rips back up here, that's going to suck. But, you know, you got to kind of deal with it. Yeah, Amy selling off. SPY getting a little bit of weakness over here. You went from being 120% up to being down 16% in the last few minute candles. Yeah. Ooh, SPY pop. That sucked. All right, let's see what happens with SPY on this cross down. Facebook in a little action. AMC trying to come back up. SPY moving. Why is Uber halted? It's just halted pending news, guys. Just halted pending news. So see what happens over here. Amy's 1967. Let's see what happens with SPY. It looks like it wants to come down. If these lines start to really come down, the MACD starts to fill up. Could get a little selly over here. Amy, nice little green candle here. Let's see what happens. Uber presentation seems like a big nothing so far. There has to be something if they've halted the stock. As soon as I put on the SPY, the punk goes up. That happens. It happens. Happens a lot. Let's see. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, you guys crushed it today. Thank you guys so much. Why is it a halt? It's just, I don't know. It's just halting. Here comes SPY back down. Facebook coming down too. Let's see. SPY doesn't really like this over here. So let's see what we can get on the SPY. How does Viac look? I don't know. I'm out of it. So took some gains on Viac and Disca. Yeah, Viac and Discovery coming down here. Oh, rumored to buy Grubhub? Oh, that's happened. That used to be last year. Like, that was, like, old. Like, Uber, Grubhub stuff, that was a while ago. Like, there were a lot of buyout rumors on Grubhub a while ago. Tesla buying Uber on Twitter, nothing reputable yet. Interesting. Uber expects to become free cash flow positive by the end of the year. Yeah, they went halted, though. Amy coming down. SPY coming down. Who decides a news halt? It's probably they YouTube is hiding my stream and is saying I wasn't live. That's bullshit. They would have, the company would be like, yeah, we're about to announce something, and then the exchange would be like, all right, we'll halt it. People are saying Tesla buying Uber. What's Tesla doing? Selling here. SPY selling off a little bit too. What are these contracts at? Down 3%. All right, let's see. Amy pulling back up. Tesla. Let's see. Verizon. I mean, Visa. What's up with Visa? Nothing going on really with Visa. Uber CEO sees $5 billion in adjusted EBITDA. Yeah, but like, why are they halting it for that? There's something that he's about to say. He's gonna say something. He's not just gonna be like, "Oh, halt the stock if there's nothing." News. It's gonna be big news. Lyft tanking. Yeah, I am way out of those lists. Probably made like in total 80% on that. Yeah. SPY. What's this level here? All right, that's not bad if it comes down here. Amy 1969. Uber still halted. Affirm. How's Affirm doing over here? Firm coming down. Max Payne was 17. It's 1750 right now. Nothing for Uber. Not sure why they halted. Yeah, exactly. Uber app is halted until tomorrow. That's kind of weird. Spy moving its way back down here. Amy selling, Affirm selling, GME bouncing off the 25 MA. Let's see. Who is this kid? What a reactive, overexcited spaz. Rambo. Relax, buddy. I know your wife probably doesn't let you. Okay, never mind. Halted is a free. There's no way it's halted on free cash flow. It strangled Uber last night, hoping it's good news. If it's a strangle, you can go both ways on it and you'll be fine. Yeah, there's no way it's halted because of free cash flow news. No way. No way. Taking that ride cross, down or up. No, I wouldn't yet. It's above the 200. That's not following the rules. We are here. Points at VW chart. Pump and dump on Lyft. Yeah, I mean, we rode it pretty good. We rode that one really good. AMC popping. I mean, it's pumping off the lows a little bit. 1964. Larry Jackson. Thanks for becoming a member, buddy. I appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for showing all that support on the channel recently, guys. That's really awesome. Thank you. Let's see here. Nothing too wild going on right now. Weeble news. All right, Spy moving back up here after this cross. That's kind of bullshit. Let's see what happens with it. News, Uber stock. The good news is that Uber, that's nothing. See what happens with Spy here. You demand VIX. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Grab wants to test the day high. What's Grab? Uber will offer free popcorn to all customers. Interesting. Let's see. Lyft. What ended up happening to Lyft? Oh, nasty move down. Amy, 1972. Spy just kind of hanging out here. SLGG. Running. This thing's running. This place is cool. Thank you. Appreciate that. Spy. What are you going to do today, Spy? What are you going to do? It's got some room to come down to this lower level. If it rips back up, awesome. But does have some room to come down. Volume 54.5 million on Amy. Yeah. Big volume on Amy today. Seen the inflow on Oxy? I have not. How's it doing right now, though? Oil's just ripping. Yeah, here comes Oxy back to the upside. So where's oil right now? It was at 91.22, 91.30. Oil's up 1.85% today. So that's pretty big. So if you held those Oxys, you're doing pretty good. It's 5 cents off the previous day high. Amy popping back up here. Spy trying to make a little bit of a move as well. We'll see 21 today for sure. I think it's very possible that we do. I think it's very possible that we see 21 today. Vanguard increased their position by more than 500%. No, they didn't. That was over the last year that they did this. 13 Gs are yearly. Stop spamming it. You're spamming misinformation. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop it, Ariel. Ariel, stop. Amy just cooling off. She ain't done yet. No, Amy's not done. Amy is not done. AMC about to go brrr. Yeah. 96. Spy just kind of doing its thing. Oxy coming back to life over here. Please, AMC go up. I'm hoping to. 1978. Spy's coming back up here. It was the New York Angelo giving FUD info on Vanguard. Yeah, they didn't do that. They did not buy that many. That was over a year. 13 Gs or a year. Spy popping back up here. It's still got this cross down. What happened on the cross up? Ooh, interesting. Okay. I might cut this one. I mean, I might as well hold it until it hits the stop. Just see what happens here. Yeah, Spy's coming up here. I don't like this. Screw that. That could have been good. Nope. Yeah, Spy popping here. I don't like that. Screw that noise. Little baby loss on that one. Uber's on CNBC right now. Oxy's coming up, man. Airbnb. Oxy, new day high. Airbnb popping. Viru. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I might go off for lunch today now. Just nothing's going on. I might hop off for lunch, then hop back on a little bit later. Russ, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. When you buy an option on Webull, then follow it up with a stop loss play, is it considered another day trade? Am I limited to 3-day trades a week? It's just buying and selling. If you buy and sell, it's going to be a day trade. I just look at the price and look at the stop that way. But here's the other thing, Russ. If you are not using the benefits of a margin account, like spreads, leverage, any of that, there's no reason to be in a margin account. So that's kind of what I have to say about that one. That limits PDT, and you won't be limited to 3-day trades a week. You just have to trade with settled cash. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 2 wins back-to-back. AMD puts out because I never see profits. Yellow twice in the same day. Big BP energy all day today, baby. Ric Flair, woo. Next stop, screenshotting those ankles. Hugh, dude, I'm really happy it's starting to work out for you, buddy. Thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate that. Yeah, cash account only. Grab new high. Is there a crossover? Grab up 15, crossover right here at 6-0. Wow, that's a good one over here. So AIM trying to pop, SPY trying to get back up here. I'm happy I ditched those puts. Reload on AMC calls. I wouldn't yet. I'm not touching them until we see, like, I'm not trying to trade them. Yeah, never buy options on margin. Yeah, options very, very, very dangerous. I mean, margin and options in general. All right, Micron. Not doing a whole lot. Anything crossing, just let me know. Like, if we see anything start to cross, we hit that dirty lift trade before it tanked. So that was a good one. Is it more profitable by a call one out of the money or one in the money? I mean, if it runs, the out of the money one will make you more. Made 80% on those lifts. Now I'm restricted. How do I get a cash account? I don't know. You gotta hit the Google for that one. I don't know. You'd have to, there's a way to do it. You probably have to have all closed positions in order to do it. I don't know which broker you're on though. All righty. Morgan Stanley reported they wouldn't halt it on that though. That's so weird. SPY moving back to the upside here. We could really use a big boom boom right now. Yeah, we could. We easily could. All righty, people. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, geez, you guys absolutely went wild on the likes today. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. This is crazy. SPY's moving back to the upside. AMC's looking like it wants to cross 20 again. Oh my God. If we start going crazy again, I'm not going to leave. Let's see. 13G has reported monthly of 10% ownership is reached. No, it's not. It's yearly. 13Fs are quarterly. 13Gs are yearly. Let's see. Just wait for the announcement of opening weekend for the Batman's selling out. Dude, it's going to be crazy. 1993 on Amy right here. SPY's getting some candles. What do I have calls on right now? Activision? Is this thing doing anything today? No. Neo? What's going on with Neo? Nothing. What else do I have? I had the Lulu, but I ditched it. Yeah, Lulu. I mean, it's trying here, not doing a whole lot. Keith, you screwed me. That's like the first bad play that Keith has called out. What was the CPI? It was higher than expected. I think it was 7.5, and it came out at 8:30 a.m. this morning. And it was kind of weird that we saw the SPY just go down and then rip right back up out of the bottom of this range here. So Amy 2008 right here. It is popping back up. I like it. I like it. All right, Viac cross down. Are we gonna play Viac on the down? Viac, that's not it. Viac is what we want. Viac looks like it wants to cross down here. SPY's moving up here. Amy 2006 looking good. It was a great one for me. I know it was, Keith. I know it was. IW, I'm up now. Yeah, everything. I mean, where's SPY? SPY's still in the red by about 1/3%. IRNT booming. Yeah, you guys were calling out that one earlier. Amy's looking like it wants to get spicy over here. Yeah, IRNT. Not now, but in the pre-market, it did it. That's the move. The pre-market move was the move. Let's see. SB reminds me of it's monthly after 10%. Interesting. So I was thinking about the 5%. That's what happened with Vanguard. That's what the Vanguard one is. That's why it's yearly. So people are thinking that they just bought all those shares. No, Lyft crossing down. I'll play some Lyft puts now. Screw it. Yeah, watch it below here. I mean, it's already down a decent amount. SPY's coming up here. We are the hedge fund now. MTTR pumping. Crypto, where you at, buddy? MTTR, that's your boy. Yeah, it already crossed back here. So a lot of things have already crossed. If we see any new crosses happening, call them out. Amy's at 2004. Chipmakers are moving. All right, Qualcomm. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. AMD. AMD was looking for a cross and never got it though. Yeah, never got the cross. So let's see what happens. AMC 2005. SPY coming back up here. Oxy new day high. You want to get back in on some oil trades? Yeah, Oxy pumping here. That's a good one. 5-minute MACD about to cross. That's not bad. That's not bad. CVX crossed. Yeah, CVX was more of a slow mover. Yeah, Oxy's doing really good. So if anybody held those, good for you. Well, hold on. I just got oil news. Hold on. So I might touch some Oxys here. Or CVX. Exxon. XOM. Is that crossing? CVX. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah. CVX looks like it wants to cross. What's the high? It's not that good. Ooh, it's coming up though. Oxy's the winner, I think. So what was the news on Oxy? It was U.S. crude oil futures rise over $2 to 91.66 a barrel. That's pretty high, especially with. Okay, Amy 2001 right now. SPY looking all right. Viru, what's Viru? Nah, crossed in the morning. If we stay above 20, your ankle should stay on camera. No, CVX is my choice. I don't want to. We already did it. We hit a good one on it today. We've played a lot of oil recently. A firm bouncing. Ooh. Ooh. A firm. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's go AMC. Yeah. I mean, we're at 2002 right now. We're up 5.65% today. That's pretty freaking solid, people. All right. Let's see what we got here. Disney's dead. Twitter dead. BBIG still alive over here on this one. Sense is looking good. All right. Let's see. Facebook to the upside. Is it going? Did it cross up? Because Facebook was looking like it wanted to cross down. No. I don't know about anything right now. Did the cost to borrow go up? Not much. It went up a little bit, but nothing too crazy. 2.4 was the max. 2.4 is still the max. 100% utilization, 2.38 million shares borrowed, 21.67 million estimated short interest. Amy just fell down below 20, 1998. SPY, trying to do its thing over here. Nothing too wild, though. CLSK. Clean Spark. Oh, my God. If you called this one out, you might have, honestly. This one from 880 to freaking 10 is huge. Disney came back past 200. Now looking at the 13. Yeah, it wants to come back up here a little. Let's see what happens. Lyft tanked. That Lyft coming down again. So let's see what happens with this. Lyft is still selling. 1348 cross. I'll take some Lyft puts here. Just kidding. I don't want to do it. AMC coming back up. And I'm trying to find something going into the end of the day when the market really starts moving. Like my settled cash for today, I kind of YOLO'd a lot of stuff. I mean, Uber unhalted. What's up with Uber? Uber, big red candle over here on Uber right now. Big red candle. So this went from 41.50 all the way down to a low of 30. Yeah, Uber is getting hammered. Hold on. Where's Lyft? Maybe I should have taken those puts. Yeah, Lyft coming down too. Maybe I do want those puts. Lyft. I'll hit these quick, I think. All right, I'm going to try to steal something right here. 1348 cross. See, I don't know. See, it keeps doing this thing where it'll like hit these lows and then just rip right back up. So where's Uber right now? I'm very indecisive. I'm very indecisive. Amy back above 2011 right here. Starbucks cross. Yeah, Uber tank. I don't see the news. News. Nothing. Literally just adjusted earnings of 5 billion. There's no big news on it. All right, let's do some lift to the downside. Where's lift? Actually, I'm gonna get filled on this before I do this here. All right, let's see what happens. Uber selling off. I'm gonna quick flip these lifts. I think I got some just for fun. Here comes lift to the downside, 1348 coming down. Let's see if I can get a little bit of a steal on these. Oh my God. Hold on. I think I can. This is kind of gnarly here. These lifts are up 8% right here. Let's see what happens with it. It's coming down. It's coming down hard. So let's see what happens with this. I got some lift puts. It is selling hard right now. These are up 17%. So we're playing lift on the way up and on the way down right now. So these are up 20% right here. Let's watch it closely. Volumes to sell. Oh, there it goes. There she goes. These are up now 23%. Could have gotten them a little earlier. That would have been nice, but this thing is selling. Making new lows over here on lift. Lift approaching the 48. No. Lift is down. All right, so 23% on these, 20%. All right, I'm going to give this a minute, and then I'm just going to ditch out of it. Up 12% now. Where's Uber? Uber really coming down here. AMC coming up, though. That's nice. Uber, green candle. Hold on. Yeah, lift green candle here. I don't want to get burned on these. So, yeah, getting out. All right, filled it. Wait. Oh, that was nonsense. Oh, I think I screwed up that fill. That stinks. Whatever. Played lift on the way up and on the way down. Let's get some other stuff up here. We still got a little bit of money left to play today. Oh shoot. No, I don't. I'm out of settled cash a little bit. All right. Well, that stinks. BBIG coming up. Let's see what these plays that we have out there do for us, huh? What's the news? I don't know. They just started selling off. Little 1348 cross, made a little bit of money on the way down, and that's that. So Uber coming back. Nah, dang. Those lifts probably would have been good. Yeah, I don't know. Amy, 2015 right now, looking decent. Uber put already up 130%. There you go. There you go. What, you make about $5? I think so. Yeah, something like that. I thought I had a really good fill on it, and then it just sucked. But lifts bouncing here. I just wanted to get in and out because that's a volatile move. Amy's popping up here. 2019. Spy's getting a little bit of action here. Made $80 on that lift put. There you go, Keith. Atta boy. That's what we like to see. Uber tanking. It was. It might be popping up here a little bit though. Yeah, Uber coming. All righty, peoples. Let's see. Facebook is paying downside or upside? No cross yet. It's about to cross though. It is about to cross. BBIG coming back. There you go. Uber said it will lower prices to boost growth. That's not the best thing that you want to see out of a company. BBIG coming back. Yeah, Biggie trying to get them candles here. If it gets that 5-minute MACD cross again, watch out above on BBIG. That could get going. 2023 on Amy over here. We got Spy doing its thing. Is PDT only in the US? I don't know. I think it's a US specific rule. Boom, boom, Uber going green. That's why I was trying to get out of these really, really, really quick. Yeah, Uber, look at this candle. This is why I didn't want it. All right, Spy, 5-minute MACD cross to the upside here. Amy, watch Amy to the upside here. This could get spicy. Apple, somebody was calling out. Yeah, Apple's still below the 200 here, but could get interesting. Amy, looking for that 5-minute MACD cross over here. That would be sweet. Spy just did it. We could get a little jump. EV looks interesting. Let's see. Yeah, I made a tiny, tiny little bit on lift. It was just flickering. If it doesn't flush right away, it's like, yeah, it's not worth staying in it. Amy, 2024. Here we go. Come on, Amy. You can do it. Lift coming back. Yeah, exactly. That's no PDT in the UK. Interesting. Yeah, I did not know that. The market makers know what they were doing. So maybe Spire with a 200 EMA with a cross up. Yep. Right here. Watch it at the high over here. If it really starts to get going, if it does that, Amy, 2025, looking solid over here. Ooh, BBIG. What's going on with this thing? It looks good. Biggie looks good. Hold on. Is this alerts or news? Ford stepping up plans to hold on. Ford stepping up plans for electric vehicles. Ford pop. Look at this right here. Ford pop from 10-cent pop right here. If the volume starts to step in on Ford with this cross, MACD cross, I might get something on it just for fun. So Ford Motor Company is stepping up plans to extensively electrify its Lincoln brand in North America as it prepares to introduce at least 5 new battery-powered Lincoln Sport utility vehicles. So that's EV news on Ford. So Ford typically likes the EV news when it comes out. Didn't really do too well on it on its earnings, but let's see. Tilray's up 4.5. There you go. So Ford's getting a little pop. Amy 2026. Let's see if the volume's going to step back in on this thing. We're at 59 million in volume today. There we go. 13 crossing 24 on the AMC daily. Ooh. Is it now? Yeah. Well, this is the 20. Okay, so it might be crossing the 24. Yeah. Ford chilling here. BBIG Shaq news. I don't know about that. Send me a link. BBIG 366 right here. Amy 2024. If Amy bounces off 2080, we could see some downside. No. I mean, with the SPY coming up and the way that things are looking here, it just likes to cool off and then rip back up. Amy gonna go boom? I think so. I mean, it could easily soft boom boom on Uber. It went green. There you go. Nah, Uber's not green. Or hey, spewing nonsense again. Oh, the Shaq news is real? If it's wrong, though, do you know what happens? The Shaquille O'Neal deal moving Vinko. All right. I don't know how the hell that's a thing, but that's kind of interesting. Shaq's Funhouse will take place tomorrow. Big news is, Lomo. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. That's interesting. BBIG could pump off that. 2022 on Amy. SPY just kind of doing its thing over here. He's not lying. I know. It just sounds weird. Amy 3-hour cross. It crossed on the 4-hour a while ago. Disney now crossed the 13. There you go. There you go. All right. Amy 2019. BBIG looking decent over here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the overall algorithm. Let's see here. All righty, people. BBI, is it rocketing? It's trying. It wants to go. It wants to go. Negative news on Oxy. Ooh, what happened? How? Oil's just ripping. T-cross coming. Yeah, see, I don't have that much. The one thing I would have to hold it overnight if I wanted to get like a decent trade. So let's see what I have here. I've got random Disney, BBIG doing good, Sen's looking all right, ATVI kind of dead, Neo kind of dead. Alrighty. So Amy, SPY's trying to come up here a little bit. AMC to 21. Yeah, I think it could. Whale shorting Oxy, it just says. Why would you short oil right now? I wouldn't short oil right now. Facebook cross 5 minutes about to happen. It could. Yeah, Facebook just crossed up. SPY looks like it wants to come up here a little bit. Amy's at 2016. I like it. Lunchtime. See you later. There you go. What's the news on Uber? I didn't see any news on Uber. Like, there was no news. T-cross. T's been... T, I don't like T. Especially when it's doing this. This is just chop down. This is not going to be a level. I would wait till it breaks that new day high. Amy 2016 looking all right over here. Grab is pushing. Yeah, Grab coming up. Ford. Oh, is Ford getting that pop now after that news comes in? Yeah, here comes Ford on that EV news. That's not bad. Look at Uber. Uber's just can't make up its mind right here. Am I going all day? No, I'll go off in a little bit. All righty. Uber is crazy. Yeah. ATVI is teasing. Ooh, what's Activision doing? Activision. If this goes, this could be a good one because Activision could just randomly just start shooting. That's kind of what I'm playing this for. A random Activision rocket. Up 10% on Ford calls. There you go, Keith. Yeah, ATVI starting to wake up. I like that. If we get this crossover here, the MACD could push us back up, which would be pretty sweet. Was there any news on Uber? I didn't see anything. It didn't look all that crazy. Also, guys, if you do want to learn about the strategies that we're using for 1348 and how everybody, like, what's his name, just made 21 grand in a week. That's insane. Make sure you check out that link to the free part of the Discord in the top of the chat. Learn the strategy. There's videos in there for you guys to watch. If you do want to join premium after that, awesome. It's just going to give you alerts on everything crossing on like 350 stocks in the market. And then you get private live streams with me, Gabe, and TMI 2 times a week. And then we're all in there just talking in the Discord all the time. They messed up their earnings. Oh, it was a revision. Gotcha. That's not great. You bought 500 Prague 450 calls for next week. As soon as it showed up in my portfolio, I was up over 150%. That's probably the spread. That's what I'm guessing. Unless you are up that much. And then in that case, good for you, buddy. The news on Uber is that bookings in 2020 were 57.9 billion. In 2021, the bookings were 90. Yeah, but why is that haltable? And why is Uber selling off on that? Like, that doesn't make any sense. 1993 on AMC SPY, getting a little bit of a move back down over here. ATVI, what's going on with you? Activision, it's looking spicy. Head and shoulders on the SPY. I mean, you could say it's an inverse, maybe. It could just cup and handle too. What happened? I thought you guys were live yesterday. No, we go live Sunday nights and Monday nights. Let's see here. All right, everybody. So that is going to wrap up the morning stream. Thank you guys so much. That was my record stream in terms of people on it at one time. Thank you guys so much. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Let's see some more freaking boom boom candles going into the afternoon, huh? That's really what we want to see here, right? More boom booms. That's what we want. Let's get that 21. That's what we want to see. If you guys are about to filter out right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. It just makes it a little bit easier for you guys to find the stream once we do come back. I will be back on at 1:15 Eastern, lunchtime. So I'm going to head over to TMI stream really quickly. I'll be on there for a little bit. Then I'm going to grab some lunch, schedule the stream, and then we will be back on at 1:15 for another crazy afternoon, most likely. So, and again, guys, if you do want to check out the 1348 strategy, all those alerts in the strategy, make sure you guys check out the link to the free part of the Discord in the top of the chat. And it's also linked in the description as well. So thank you guys for an awesome stream. Shout out to all the mods. You guys are awesome. The new members, thank you guys so much. And then everybody that was just being positive, see, we're coming back up. It can go at any time. We'd have right now, we're looking like we're going to have 3 solid green days in a row. Let's see what happens with the market going into the afternoon. But again, guys, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys over at TMI stream. Peace.